Yes,
Your Lordship, with humble respect, I'm appearing as in person.
Just a minute.
judgment, item number 1, WF 510/2024.
सर जजमेंट थिला बेले आगे मेंशन हुए ना जजमेंट आगे प्रोनाउंस हुए
In the present case, in our view, in order to achieve transparency, the SSB had published the key answers inviting objections from the candidates. That was thus an opportunity to the candidates to assess their own answers. This step was apparently to achieve fairness and perfection in the process of selection based on an objective test, MCQ type. In our opinion, in such type of selection, the respondent's plea for redetermination of key answers by an independent experts committee was not sustainable, as he himself was not sure about the answers in respect of which he had raised earlier objections before the cutoff date, dropped some of them, and raised new objections in the presented application. Further, most significantly, acceptance of suggestions made by the committee of experts of Ravenshaw University only for the respondent could not have been directed. Such approach is not in conformity with Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India, as acceptance of such a report would have had impacted the entire merit list. We situated thus, we are of the view, for the aforesaid reasons, that the impugned order passed by the learned single judge cannot be sustained. The appeal is allowed. The order dated 22/2/2024, passed in WPC number 10537 of 2022 is set aside. The writ petition is dismissed. No orders as to pause.
I agree.
Yes, are you in person?
In person, yeah.
Yes, what do you want?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing as in person in my criminal miscellaneous case arising out of domestic violence. Your Lordship, this matter was before Justice Sivasankar Mishra, sir, in which this matter was transferred a letter to Justice A.K. Mahapatra, who was before 3 months, who was concerned to listen this matter because my opposite advocate, Advocate Sobhan Mishra, is his relative. Then he transferred this to appropriate bench. Again, your this honorable court again transferred him again, in which he concerned again for the same matter. Now he to another appropriate bench other than A.K. Mahapatra.
Give.
Press tender matter.
Give us. Please, Mr. Counsel, I personally look into each and every mentioning slip. And yes, and only in such cases where when you don't disclose any urgency, I refuse. Don't say that.
Pardon to make a mention, Lordship.
All right.
Pardon to make a mention, Lordship. Yesterday's item 2, your Lordship had directed us to file a written note of submission by opposite party 5. Second document.
Yes, may I be permitted to make a motion because There is one tender matter. It went to.
Please give a slip.
I will give it. Just one sentence I will say. This Honorable Court has disposed it of. Then the matter went to Supreme Court. And Supreme Court has remanded the matter for any date you are asking.
All right. With the, have you annexed the order of the Supreme Court?
Not annexed, I will give it.
All right. Nicole. If you can give, please give the Supreme Court's order also.
For orders item number 2.
Petitioner has been already died, Lordship. There's a appearing in the one of the parties. Which is appearing. The figure Lordship. Petitioner has been already died, Lordship.
Petitioner has died. So whether the cause of action survives,
So I'm not contact.
what is this matter about? So you are for the petitioner
Petitioner.
and you have no instructions.
No instruction.
And counsel appearing on behalf of
Instruction
the petitioner states. Mr. So and so states that he has information that the petitioner died during the pendency of this proceeding. Before the order of the Supreme Court was passed, when did he die?
That's it.
Do you have the date when he died?
No, date also not. Whose state he was died, I am not. What he was
He
died.
has no instructions, no further instructions in this matter. First off, considering this as submission, this writ application abates and disposed of accordingly.
Ramdas Sachari, opposite.
Yes,
Item number 3. May I please, Your Lordship? I may be permitted to withdraw this petition, Your Lordship.
withdraw.
Item number 4.
Minutes complied.
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of note 2, 4 and 5. In item 3. Item 3, item number 3.
4 order complied with. 4 order has been complied with.
Lordship. Your Lordship, note 4.
Item number 4.
4 order has been complied with. The counsel for the petitioner states that this court's order violation of has been raised in the contempt application has been complied with. The all slips.
Weekly list.
Item 72 and 73. Representation disposal that has already been rejected, so CP may be drawn.
273.
Yes.
Item 192. Item 190, my lord, the rejected also.
Liberty.
My lord, item 22. Item 22. Order has already been complied.
Complied with.
Rest admission item number 1.
Complied.
Complied with.
Item number 2.
Not to comply.
2, my lord, complied. I am sorry.
Complied with.
Liberty number.
Liberty.
3, 4 and 5.
3, 4, 5 not to comply.
3, 4, 5 complied, my lord. Already I am sorry. Item number 6.
Liberty number.
Liberty.
Item number 6. 6 complied, my lord.
Give him a copy.
Liberty.
Liberty.
7. 7 complied. Item 8,
8 also complied, my lord.
Give him a copy.
item 9,
Eight, who is appearing? You are appearing.
8 upon 8. 8 complied. 9 also complied, my lord.
item number 10,
10 my lord complied with. Mutation case is disposed of.
Complied with. Give him a copy.
My lord.
Liberty.
My lord. I'll go.
He will give you the compliance.
My lord.
Yes.
item 11,
11 my lord, action lies with the Panchayat Raj department, my lord. Action lies with Panchayat Raj department.
Whether complied with or not. Who is appearing for the petitioner?
Very instructions, sir.
11. You don't have any instructions.
They comply or not, I don't.
All right. Next week. As jointly requested on behalf of the parties, just this matter on next week.
My
Just inquire whether the order has been complied with or not.
published. Item number 12,
my lord, SLP pending.
SLP.
item number 13,
13 my lord complied.
Complied.
Liberty. Liberty.
Liberty.
item 14,
14 my lord complied.
Fire.
item 15,
15 complied, my lord.
Complied. Give him.
item number 16,
16 complied, my lord.
Complied.
item number 17,
Not complied until that, my lord. And lordship directed in the root of bill, my lord, they have delayed 460 days. In the root of the file, they have delayed 460 days. And directed to Congress to subject to payment of 46,000. Will that have not been paid? No, can you see that, my lord?
Just we'll see.
Till that the amount not been deposited, so will not be condemned. Only because filing, they have only filed their root appeal. So not complied the order, madam.
All right. It is stated by learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner that though an intra-court appeal has been preferred against the order, violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application, the said appeal is barred by limitation. First off, the delay has however been condoned by this court subject to payment of cost of rupees. First off, the said amount, since the said amount has not been paid, the limitation cannot be treated to have been condoned, and therefore such writ appeal is incompetent against the order.
Here, my lord, the order passed by this honorable court to condone the delay 46,000 already deposited in the petitioner's account.
Can you give me, can you? Let me give my. They are not been paid. To my instruction, they are not paid.
All right.
Let them file the affidavit. I'll see, madam.
Next week, as directly requested.
Madam.
Yes,
item 18,
I'll comply with.
complied with,
Item number 18 to 20, no instruction.
no instructions, order complied with. दोनों का.
Item number 18 to 20. God bless you.
18, 19 and 20.
19,
Yes.
18 to 20.
Item 21,
Then not complied with.
Complied with. Complied with, Mr.
Smile.
No one appears, complied with.
item 23,
23 my lord, speaking order passed.
Passed. Liberty.
Complied.
Speaking order in his favor,
My lord, 23 my lord.
no rejected or whether his claim has been rejected.
The penalty written on.
Rejected.
Hmm.
Liberty.
No, only.
item 24,
24 my lord, speaking order passed.
Speaking order, liberty,
25,
25 also speaking order passed.
liberty,
item number 26,
26 speaking order passed.
26, no one appears, complied with.
item 27,
27 my lord, speaking order passed.
Speaking order passed, complied with. No one appears.
Item 28,
28, my lord, speaking order passed, my lord.
Speaking order passed. Complied with
all four cases.
all four cases.
Item 29,
Now complied with.
Complied,
item 30,
30, my lord, complied.
complied,
Speaking order passed.
number 31,
31, my lord, complied. Speaking order passed.
32,
complied. 32.
32, I have not received instruction.
This one appears on behalf of the petitioner. Let this matter on next week.
item number 33,
33.
No,
33, my lord, director has issued instruction for compliance. My lord, it will be complied within by next week. Lordship may keep it to
tomorrow, next week.
item 34,
34 complied with. my lord.
Complied with, yes,
35,
Now complied with.
complied with. Give him. I mean, you are in which case?
Complied with.
Right, give him a copy of the
No.
order. Yes,
item 36,
just a minute. Whether it has been rejected,
My lord.
rejected,
No, disposed of. My lord. Person to
disposed of, liberty.
item 36,
36, my lord, complied.
Complied with.
37,
No one appears. The board.
But 37 here also, let it come next week because in the
Next
meantime it will be complied.
38,
My lord.
38, SLP pending.
SLP.
My lord.
39,
39, my lord. 39 also, let it come next week.
Next week.
item number 40,
My lord, they have not complied.
My lord, 40 writ appeal pending.
Writ appeal is pending.
Writ appeal, 170 of 2024.
Writ appeal.
item 41,
41, my lord, complied, speaking order passed.
Complied. Liberty. Can challenge that.
41, no. Item 42,
My lord, I am from Virtual Court, Bolangir, my lord. Contempt petition has been complied with, my lord.
Complied with.
item number 43,
43, my lord, complied, speaking order passed.
Complied.
item 44,
44, complied, my lord, speaking order passed.
You are Siddharth Swai.
SK South. SK South.
Yes. Complied with.
item 45,
Item, pardon to mention, Your Lordship, I am appearing on VC permit to submit.
All right.
45, SLP pending, my lord.
SLP is pending, mister.
There is no stay in the SLP, Your Lordship, till now.
I am appearing in this matter, Your Lordship.
He is appearing. 45, Mr.
Maybe
Subhadrata
the
Rai
affidavit-
is appearing.
Talk to the office.
I apologize, sir.
SLP is pending.
Lordship, let this contempt lie. Let this contempt lie out.
No,
Lordship, because SLP has been filed after filing.
because they have not accepted your, the order. They have challenged it.
Because they have filed the contempt, SLP after the filing of the contempt.
Maybe. Since the matter is pending for the Supreme Court, notices have been issued.
Notice have been issued. Your Lordship.
Yes.
item number 46,
46, complied, my lord, speaking order passed.
Complied with.
item 47,
47, complied, my lord, speaking order passed.
Complied with.
48,
48, my lord, speaking order passed.
Yes.
49,
49, my lord, speaking order passed, my lord.
Because I am relying
I am relying tax order passed under the in the recap and against that recap to contempt is pending. My representation was filed to consider my representation order passed in the recap. And that against that recap, that order was not complied by the state government, spear mass education, and I have filed the contempt petition. That is pending because also different insurance. My only point is
This is 49.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, you have alleged violation of which order?
I have filed a representation before the authority.
Mr. Counsel, you have filed a contempt application. You must have alleged disobedience of an order.
Yes, ma'am.
So which order?
Under Annex 2.
And so what order? Order passed in writ proceeding.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what was the order?
I have annexed in the portrait instruction of place 10.
What was the order?
Consider my representation.
Whether your representation has been considered or not.
The approach was in my representation, I have relied a judgment passed in the recap. And that recap, the government has not complied with, and I have filed the contempt petition. That's why my representation cannot be considered as my recap is not complied with. I have filed the recap to consider that was not the and I filed the contempt petition that is pending.
You can challenge that order. No contempt lies.
Speaking out of the liberty minus
Liberty.
copy में I supply.
Copy please.
I'll supply.
What's on list?
Item number 50.
Complied, your lordship.
Compliant. Give him.
Compliance.
Liberty.
51.
51, we filed a show-cause notice, your lordship. It's practically now not possible to comply with the orders, your lordship. Though the final publication is a map of that consolidation.
There is no one to press. No representation on behalf of the petitioner. This application is dismissed for default. So the petitioner shall have be at liberty to make an application for restoration.
Item
Yes.
52. 52 complied.
Complied with.
Item 53.
53 complied, your lordship.
Complied with.
54.
54, my lord, complied, speaking order passport.
Speaking order liberty.
Item 55.
Claim rejected. Claim rejected.
Order complied with. So you want liberty.
Want liberty.
56.
Complied, your lordship.
Complied.
57.
Just
57, complied, speaking order passport.
Liberty.
56.
57.
Just 56.
56.
Please give him a copy of the order. Or you can take that from us. All right. Liberty.
47, complied.
57.
Item 57.
57 must
57, my lord, complied. Speaking order passport.
liberty.
58.
58, my lord, let it come next week.
Next week.
Item 59.
59, complied, my lord, speaking order cast.
Liberty.
The weekly discharge.
Item 60.
60, complied, speaking order passed.
Here my pleasure. I'm from the accountant and now. 59, 60.
60.
Item 61.
61, SLP pending, my lord.
SL pending, my lord.
62.
SLP pending, my lord.
63.
63, speaking order passed.
Order passed.
My lord.
Complied with. Liberty.
64,
64, speaking order passed.
Passed.
65,
65, speaking order passed. Liberty lodge.
Liberty.
66.
66,
66 also speaking order passed.
67,
Speaking order passed.
68,
68, speaking order passed.
Yes.
69,
Speaking order passed.
Liberty,
Liberty.
70,
70, SLP pending.
Yes.
item 71,
SLP pending.
item number 74, 74,
74. SLP pending, my lord.
Let it be lie over. Let it be lie over.
Yes. Next.
75,
75, SLP pending.
76,
SLP pending.
77,
Pending.
77 SLP pending.
77 also SLP pending.
78,
SLP pending.
item 79,
Writ appeal pending, my lord.
item number 80,
80, speaking order passed, my lord.
Liberty.
item 81,
Speaking order passed.
82,
82, writ appeal pending, my lord.
item number 83,
83.
83 complied.
No one appeals. Transfer states that the order has been complied with. Dog. Yes.
84,
84 complied.
85,
85, writ appeal pending.
item 86,
Writ appeal pending.
Yes.
87,
Speaking order passed, my lord.
Liberty.
item 88,
SLP pending, my lord.
Lordship, it appears that they have filed a chauffeur's affidavit, Lordship, but the copy has not been served.
SLP is pending.
SLP is pending.
We have
That is this
only
open.
given that.
Chauffeur's affidavit, that will be served, Lordship.
I'm
Chauffeur's affidavit that they have.
I'm just serving.
The fact remains that SLP is pending. Yes. Not inclined. SLP. Give him a copy of the.
yes. item number 89,
89, speaking order passed.
Liberty.
item number 90,
90, 91, I pray next week, my lord.
Next.
Next week. Next one.
90, 91, item 92,
Compliance report 5 million. They rejected, but that letter has not been solved.
All right, we'll give you liberty to challenge that. Give.
That order passed, my lord. They will also kindly page 32. That order, para 6. Starting the case, this court is offered to dispose of the written application, directing the collector Chandrapada to ensure that his order dated 3/2/2021 is complied within 7 days, and all steps are taken to release the pending and current use of the petitioner within a further period of 7 days. That amount they have released regarding the regarding the dispose of my personal proceedings. They only filed the compliance report.
Just listen to him.
Ticket is 92.
yes,
That letter should be.
Just a minute.
yeah, I'll serve that copy.
So it has been done.
Yes,
Complied with.
Yes,
That letter should be, copy of letter should be.
I'll have some.
Complied with. Let the later. Later or order. Let the order passed on the petitioner's representation in terms of the court's direction be served upon him. Be made available to learn counsel for the petitioner. You can do it today.
By today in course of the day.
In course of the day.
Alright.
Yes,
Item 93.
93 complied.
complied. No one appears.
Item number 94.
94 complied.
Complied, no one appears.
Item 95.
95 speaking order passed.
And speaking order has been passed.
Yes.
Item 96.
96 writ appeal pending.
97.
Writ appeal pending.
98.
98 writ appeal pending.
Item number 99.
You are in 98.
99.
I'm in 98.
Yes. 99.
99
Next week, what is your instruction?
99 opposite petition.
All right, we will take up in the next week.
Next week.
In the meanwhile,
Item 100.
In that case, a copy may be served. The copy is not with me.
copy is not
The
there.
contempt petition.
Give him a copy.
ADM is the party. So state is a party. Please solve a copy.
Sole contempt
Who?
ADM Subarna.
Just give him a copy, even if,
Help solve in due possible.
just give.
Item 100.
100 writ appeal pending.
101.
101 speaking order passed.
Liberty.
Copy page.
102.
I'm serving the copy. 102 my lord writ appeal pending.
Writ appeal.
103.
103 complied with.
Complied with, no one appears.
104.
104 my lord speaking order passed.
Yes.
105.
I have complied with.
Complied with.
106.
106 my lord speaking order passed.
Liberty.
107.
7 speaking order passed.
108.
Speaking order passed my lord.
109.
Speaking order passed.
110.
Speaking order passed.
111.
Speaking order passed.
112.
Speaking order passed.
113.
Speaking order passed.
114.
Speaking order passed.
115.
Speaking order passed.
116.
Speaking order passed.
117.
Speaking order passed. Up to 119. All the
118 and 119.
Yes.
120.
120. I have complied with.
121.
I have complied with.
122.
I have complied with.
123.
123. The similar matter posted to 20th 9 September regarding this.
Whether the order has been complied with or not.
SLP. On that issue matter posted to 20th 9. Kindly.
No, what issue?
Regarding that similar issue that the SLP.
No, whether in this case SLP has been preferred or not.
Yes, my lord.
Then how can we
the
proceed?
similar issue may not posted to 20th 9 my lord. When the already similar issue may not have been posted to 20th.
This is contempt, Mr. Counsel.
But that matter on the last occasion matter directed to take up this matter for 29 for hearing.
Why?
Directed regarding that SLP is maintainable or not.
When the SLP is pending, then how can we proceed for contempt?
Posted to 29.
Hmm?
Sorry, come back. Associate on
29th of?
20th September. 20th September, sir.
Oh, no. 8th September, why that matter has been adjourned to 20th of September?
Three matters were listed. There also SLP filed. My learned friend raised objection that even pending, because there was an order passed by the honorable single judge, the coordinate bench, that
Matter will
since the matter is pending, the matter to be listed after disposal of the SLP in those three cases.
All right.
So that is what.
This matter along with, well, so what is the case?
Case note subject. Giving circuit.
Does this matter on 29, 2024? All right.
At a 124.
124, my lord, speaking order passed.
124. Speaking of copy that
All right. Rejected or allowed?
Rejected.
Liberty.
125.
125 SLP pending, my lord.
126.
My lord, this is a case. This is a case for shifting of 220 kV line, my lord. So the energy department is actually a department. The direction was completely the
The
collector.
order has been complied with.
Collector has passed an order.
And counsel for the petitioner states that court's order violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application has been complied with. Contempt is stands stopped accordingly.
127.
No, complied with.
Copy may be complied.
Liberty.
128. 128, my lord, this is a first contempt. Directional
First contempt, I don't know, second or first.
direction was issued. Direction was issued to remove the illegal construction made over village road, my lord, within 6 weeks of time.
Whether the order has been complied with or not.
No, in fact, my lord, this is the area coming under the municipality area, my lord. So this is no way connected to the village area. So the municipality will take up the matter for eviction, my lord.
128.
Municipality also made party in the writ petition, my lord, but direction
He is not the contemnor.
Just a minute. Who was opposite party number 3?
opposite party number 3, Tahsildar,
my lord.
Tahsildar, whether he has disposed of the representation or not.
No, Tahsildar, state, my lord, this area is coming under the municipality limit.
Whether any order has been passed by him or not.
I'll take instruction with this regard.
Instruction. We are from the contenders. This is matter on next week.
129.
May I please, my lord, I am on VC, my lord. I am for the petitioner, my lord. They filed the counter, my lord, but they have not complied the order of this honorable court, my lord.
Let us see. What was the order?
My lord, the order was that is, my lord, annexure 2, page number 9, my lord. In the last part, my lord, consider submission of Mr. Patla and for the state contempt state with a direction to opposite party of contender to immediately comply the court's order under annexure 1 and at any time.
So annexure 2 is not an order, Mr. Counsel. Annexure 2 is not an order. Order is annexure 1. So what was the order? So whether representation has been disposed of or not?
No, my lord, that has not been disposed of, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, disposed.
It has been disposed of, Mr. Counsel.
My lord, they filed the counter, my lord. Counter there, but they have not to comply the order, my lord. Still that encroachment is there.
This is the instruction, my lord.
There is no direction for encroachment, removal of encroachment.
Yes,
To take a decision. That decision has been taken. It is stated by learned AG appearing for the contemners, AG appearing for the contemners, that this court's order dated 8/6/2023, passed in WPC number 18222 of 2023, has been complied with in as much as the petitioner's representation has been disposed of. First off, in such view of the matter, I am not inclined to proceed further in the present contempt proceeding. The contempt proceeding stands stop. First off, liberty.
Item 130,
That is complied with me.
Complied.
131,
That one will kindly grant some time, my lord.
Wait 2 weeks.
My lord.
132,
132, my lord, SLP pending.
SLP.
all the matter.
All the matters.
Item 133,
SLP pending, my lord.
134,
No, SLP is pending.
135,
SLP pending, my lord. All three matters.
item 136,
136 speaking order passed.
Liberty, my lord.
Liberty.
137,
Speaking order passed.
138,
Not complied with.
Complied.
Not. Your Lordship, may I please, Your Lordship, it has not yet complied, Your Lordship.
How? What was the order?
Your Lordship, Annex 2 is the order.
What was the order? Next 2 is the order, you are right.
Your Lordship, the OP1 was directed to remand back the case record to the learned Tahsildar, and Tahsildar was directed to dispose of the mutation case within a period of 2 months, Your Lordship.
Very-
Page number 12, Your Lordship. The operating part of the order, page number 12.
Yes, in such event, Tahsildar Bhavani Patna is directed to complete remand exercise in mutation case. So whether this has been done or not.
No, Your Lordship. In fact, the record from the
Mr. Counsel, this order was passed on the very first day when the matter was taken up.
Complied with.
It is stated by learned counsel representing the contemners that the order of this court dated 2/5/2023, passed in WPC number 13078 of 2023, has been complied with when?
My lord, that 4/6/2024, 6/4/2024.
Complied with. What is that? 4/6/2020.
My lord, the direction are issued to the, for necessary direction, my lord.
On what is the date?
5/4/2024, my lord.
6/4.
5/4/2024.
5/4/2024. Stop. Since this court's order is said to have been complied with, I am not inclined to proceed further in the present contempt matter in view of the nature of the order passed by this court on the very first day when the writ petition was taken up by this court.
May I have a request, Your Lordship?
Without issuance of notice to the other side. Yes,
Your Lordship, here it is clearly mentioned that however involving the parties likely to be affected. I was never noticed to be appeared before the mutation case and it was disposed of without my presence, Your Lordship. I am not aware of the disposal of the mutation case by the learned Tahsildar, Your Lordship.
Mr. Counsel, this order, whether any notice was issued before passing of this order
No, Your Lordship.
to anyone.
No, Your Lordship.
So where is the question of violation?
Your Lordship, here the order is clearly mentioned that learned Tahsildar to dispose of the mutation case within two months. However, involving the parties likely to be affected.
All right, we are not inclined to initiate contempt proceeding in such matters.
Your Lordship.
139.
Well, complied with.
140.
My lord, complied with.
Complied with.
141.
My lord, complied with.
Complied with.
142.
Your Lordship, similar.
Complied with.
Yes, you want to say something?
Lordship, similar matter, 142.
140,
142 and 138 both are similar, Your Lordship.
42. Same order.
Which will-
Item 143.
My lord, complied with.
A copy may be served, Your Lordship.
I'll serve.
Liberty, that claim has been rejected. Either your claim has been rejected.
No.
Liberty. All right. Just see the operative part of the order. It has been rejected. Has it been rejected?
I'm just one pass over, I'm just going.
If it, we are giving liberty.
144.
144 is complied with me.
Complied with
145.
liberty.
41 is complied with.
Liberty.
146.
46 is appeal file, my lord.
Field.
The direction was issued to evict the encroacher, my lord. The direction was issued, but they have gone for the appeal.
On
Appeal
147.
is pending.
Appeal is pending.
You want appeal number? Can we get that? Yes.
147.
And 47 ran some time, my lord.
Complied with
Not compliant.
next week.
148.
Not complied, my lord. Notice not sufficient, my lord.
Yes.
Till today, they have filed in for 148. 148, my lord, I have already filed this. So cause, my lord.
Complied with
My lord.
yes. Complied with, Mr. It has been complied with.
No, my lord. Well, T2, they have not encroached, they have not evicted, my lord.
All right. It is 149.
48.
148. Let us see.
Totally ingress and egress to the public road, my lord. Totally obstructed my
Let
entire
us see the order. Where is the order?
Order, my lord, specific direction is there, my lord. To examine the representation and after giving an opportunity, my lord, then take a future course of action. Thereafter, the Tahsildar given an opportunity and then initiated the early case and notice for eviction. Till today, they have not evicted.
Eviction is not the direction. There is no direction to evict.
My representation is there, my lord.
That has been
Only
done.
for eviction, my lord.
That has been done.
And pursuant to the representation, my lord, the eviction notice was issued for the encroacher.
So there is no direction.
Notice is written. But till the purpose is not fulfilled, my lord.
Purpose cannot be, unless there is specific direction, no purpose can be said to fulfill it. Following was the direction issued by this court in the order dated 6/11/2023, passed in WPC number P5088 of 2023, violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application, paragraph 11. Stop. A compliance affidavit has been filed from which it appears that the petitioner and opposite parties number 4 to 6 were noticed by the opposite party number 2 to consider and examine the petitioner's representation. First off, the petitioner's representation has been disposed of by an order dated. When was the order passed?
6/11/2023, my lord.
On 6/11/2023 itself, the order has been passed. Sovereign Council appearing on behalf of the petitioner has however submitted. Not 6/11/2023 is the date of the order. When was the final decision taken after the issuance of so-called notice?
My lord, in fact, that so-called notice was challenged by this before this honorable court, and status quo is granted, and that is operating.
Oh. Business representation, full stop. It has been stated in the so-called reply that the opposite party number 4 to 16 in the separate petition approached this court by filing a writ petition.
My land WPC number 1018 of 2024.
In the issuance of notice.
That already been disposed of.
In the said giving rise to WPC number
1018 of 2024, my
1018 of
order dated 19/1/2024.
wherein an order of status quo, an order directing an order for maintaining status quo has been passed on
19/1/2024, my
19/1/2024. So in such view of the matter, in my opinion, no case of willful disobedience of this court's order is made out. The contempt proceeding is dropped.
My lord, that application already disposed of, my lord. My kind paragraph 13, my sovereign notice. Again, the file application 16265.
No, whether writ petition is pending.
Status quo is there. Again,
petition is pending. Status quo.
status quo is there till 27, my lord. 27th August.
All right.
Now already crossed, my lord.
All right, sorry. Next.
149.
149 complied with.
Compared with
150.
Complied with, my lord.
151.
151 complied with, my lord.
Copy of the compliance report, my kindly. 150.
152 my lord complied with. Kindly direct the supply.
153.
153 my lord complied with.
154.
150 is my lord, order of this law was not been complied with, my lords. There is a judgment set aside the appointment of the opposite parties, my lord, that is not
Highly the focus affidavit, my lord. But one writ appeal is pending, my lord.
writ appeal is pending.
But my lord, no stay order has been granted by this court.
Immediately.
My lord, I've been long fighting since 2014, my lord, I have come.
When was the writ appeal filed?
My lord, 2 months back, I have not filed in writ appeal, my office party has filed the writ appeal.
Well, you have not filed, writ appeal is pending against that order.
Four dates has been done, had passed away, my lord, but no stay has been granted by this honorable court. And practicing fraud, he has been got appointed, my lord.
Sorry, writ appeal.
155.
No complied with.
Complied.
Then I will reject it to
Liberty.
156.
Now complied with.
Complied.
157.
Now complied with.
158.
My lord, complied with. My surprise, my instructions concerned, my lord. They have not been complied, my lord.
What was the order?
Order, my lord, clear cut order, page 11, to initiate appropriate legal action in order to ensure removal of the alleged encroachment.
See the order.
My lord, my respectful prayer for your lordship, by your affidavit, this,
No, let us see the order first
my lord,
and let me decide it. Let me decide it right now.
my lord, to initiate
Which item is
appropriate
this?
legal action.
Just a minute. Yes, what is the order?
And page 11, since it is alleged that the encroachers are in occupation of the government plot recorded as Rasta, the road, revealed from the annexure 1, the court is of the considered view that the grievance of the petitioner under annexure 3 should be examined by the opposite party and if necessary, to initiate appropriate legal action in order to ensure removal of the alleged encroachment, my lord. Then in the result, the petition stands disposed of with a direction to the opposite party to consider and examine annexure 3 and thereafter to proceed in accordance with law if necessary to clear.
Who have encroached?
My lord,
Who have encroached upon the Rasta?
my lord, I have the opposite party number. That one Rajan Barik, my lord. One Rajan Barik.
Rajan Barik was noticed.
Yes,
He was noticed in the writ petition.
no,
Then you file a writ petition, get that disposed of, and you want him to be evicted.
this honorable court disposed of the.
Disposed of, the court had disposed of, just to examine, that has been examined.
But my lord, my respectful submission, my lord.
Mr.
The opportunity of
Please.
hearing was not given, my lord.
Please,
The order was there.
I am satisfied that following was the order passed by this court on 28/11/2023 on the very first day without issuance of notice to the opposite parties. Paragraph 7. Full stop. Next, it is clear stand taken on behalf of the contemners that the petitioner's representation has been examined. Full stop. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner states that this court's order has not been fully complied with. Full stop. I do not find any merit in such submission. Full stop. There was no positive direction for eviction. Full stop. Particularly when eviction, full stop. Particularly as the affected parties were not noticed in the writ proceeding, I do not find any case of deliberate disobedience of this court's order made out. Full stop. The contempt proceeding is accordingly dismissed. Contempt petition is accordingly dismissed. Yes.
159.
159, my lord, writ appeal pending.
Writ appeal is pending. Yes.
160.
160, writ appeal pending.
Yes.
161.
161. Wait, no, 161. 161 more.
161.
Yes.
161, my lord, writ appeal pending.
Writ appeal.
My lord, 161 complied. I'm sorry.
Complied with. Liberty. Reject.
Oh, my lord, here the GPF amount. Here the leave salary, GPF amount, the GIS money, final pension paid through treasury. Everything done.
Complied with.
162.
Complied.
Complied with.
163.
163, my lord, writ appeal pending.
But this case, this is a matter related to contact teacher appointment. And this case, this Honorable Court already held that I am eligible to get appointment. Legal opinion, they have sought for from legal day, but they say that it's not a fit case for appeal. Only to start the proceeding, to not to give the appointment to my client, which is pending since 2015, having secured highest more than others. With appeal pending, neither they are listing this Now they are trying to give the legal opinion says that it is.
So I have three questions for you to answer. How do you know about the legal opinion?
But we on the RTI I got that is the
RTI, you get legal opinion.
yes they submit us. But this is a fit case not to
RTI, under RTI, you get legal opinion.
that they my client suffered and they gave that opinion. They got fit case of
Something shocking.
but they got this. They supplied that.
All right, this is one. Whether the legal opinion is binding on the estate.
No, that's true.
It's not
That's
binding.
true. But here
Third question, just a minute. And third question, whether they are not listing the writ appeal.
but they have filed it up in the.
You can file contempt petition against the chief justice. That because of the pendency of the writ appeal, which is not being lifted, the order is not being complied with.
That I am not saying that. But what is it? Well, as a front my case is pending. My having highest mark than others.
Maybe
And fit case for appointment.
they are challenging, take steps for early, please ensure that the writ appeal is taken up, make a mention. Make a mention. Make a mention, but I'll not proceed.
I do that, but this is my plan, Sanjay.
Right.
That was
All right, let us see. Let us decide the matter on merits. Writ appeal.
164.
Writ appeal pending.
Yes, writ appeal.
165.
165, my lord, order complied.
The complaints.
Speaking order.
Speaking order, liberty.
166.
166, my lord, SLP pending.
SLP.
167.
167, my lord. Here the order has been complied, my lord. The final order of punishment passed, my lord.
Liberty to challenge.
167 weekly.
Any confusion?
The release of pensionary benefits. So relates to release of pensionary benefits, pension and post-retirement benefits.
My lord, the period of absence from 1/12/2007 to 28/2/2013 will be treated as EOL and 5% pension will be deducted from 1 year. This is the order passed in the departmental proceeding.
You can challenge that.
See the order page 13.
Item number,
167.
just a minute,
Page 13, paragraph 6.
just a minute. What is the order?
Paragraph 6. Considering the submission.
Paragraph?
Well, paragraph 6.
This is simple disposal of your representation, no, nothing more.
In the event it is found that the retirement dues and pensionary benefits as due and admissible to the petitioner have not been paid, the same shall be paid to him within 1 month thereafter, telling which the same shall be paid to the petitioner with interest at the rate of 8% per annum. Till the date of
Lordship, I looked
actual
at the compliance affidavit filed, e-filed, it has been e-filed. Lordship will kindly see the after this particular order passed, which I referred to, thereafter they have processed the file and sent it to the principal accountant general for release of the pensionary benefit. That is also there in the compliance affidavit. I'm also serving him a copy, my lord.
The reviewer representation has been considered and disposed of.
And speaking order was also passed to the representation.
retired since March 2021, retired my lord. Since March 2021, retired. Not yet been paid the pensionary benefit.
See, you should have got your dispute adjudicated upon. Now, in the first round of litigation, you just got the representation, this representation disposed of for consideration of your representation. That order may be wrong. You will have to question that.
There is a direction that
with
if it is not paid
liberty.
within 1 month, then
You can challenge that. You can challenge the decision. That decision may be incorrect. But it cannot be said that the order has been violated.
keeping order they have passed.
Can challenge that.
168.
168, my lord, speaking order passed.
The compassionate happened.
Speaking order has been passed.
Second contempt.
Second contempt, don't say that. One contempt is enough.
Speaking order of the
Speaking order has been passed, we can challenge that.
liberty may be given.
Liberty.
169.
59 is same minor compassionate appointment, my lord.
Speaking order passed.
Liberty.
170.
170, my lord, speaking order passed.
Compliant with.
171.
171, SLP pending, my lord. My lord, liberty.
SLP is pending. Yes, that liberty will have.
My lord, here the
Yes, sir,
SLP has been filed in the lead case, Akshay Kumar Naik. Referring to Akshay Kumar Naik, his case was disposed of. But in Akshay Kumar Naik case, the SLP is pending.
No, that is not enough. The order was passed and writ appealed.
The order was passed. Lordship may.
You'll have to prefer a separate appeal.
Lordships, the order was passed on 28/9/2022. There they disposed of the application, keeping in view the judgment passed in case of Akshay Kumar Naik. Now Akshay Kumar Naik, after disposal of the writ appeal, we have preferred SLP and the SLP is pending.
This is matter of 4 weeks. We'll see later.
Then next.
172.
Same. 172 also same.
Same.
173.
173, my lord, SLP pending. Specific SLP file that.
174.
Writ appeal pending.
175.
175 writ appeal pending.
176.
176, my lord, compliant.
177.
177, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be granted. Liberty may be granted.
178.
178, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be given.
179.
179, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be given.
180.
180, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be given.
181.
181, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty.
182.
182, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be given.
183.
SLP pending, my lord.
Yes.
184.
SLP pending, my lord.
185.
185, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be.
186.
186, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be given. 187.
187.
Speaking order passed.
188.
188, writ appeal pending, my lord.
189.
189, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty may be granted.
Liberty.
190.
190, my lord, speaking order passed.
Liberty.
191.
Speaking order passed.
192.
Speaking order passed.
193.
Speaking order passed.
In all cases, liberty may be granted. In all cases, liberty may be granted.
Liberty.
194.
Speaking order passed, my lord.
195.
Speaking order passed.
196.
Speaking order passed, my lord.
Yes.
197.
197, writ appeal pending, my lord.
Writ appeal.
198.
Speaking order passed, my lord.
199.
199, speaking order passed, my lord.
Yes.
Item 200.
200, SLP pending. 200 Miller. Writ appeal it has been confirmed. And they have preferred now the SLP which is pending. But during pendency of the same, subject to the outcome of the SLP, they have appointed other persons. But my case has not been considered. I have annexed that in annexer 3 at page 37.
We'll take up 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Hello.
Have you filed?
Miller?
You have filed any order where it is mentioned that subject to pendency of
Yes, Miller. Yes, Miller. At page 37, annexer 3.
seek instructions?
I'll take instruction. Miller, item 12 is same, Miller. I could not read. I am sorry. 12 is same.
What have we done in 12?
Same thing, Miller. Same petition.
SLP pending.
12.
I'm extremely sorry,
More
Miller.
than it. 12. 12 is asked.
There also SLP filed. Same petition.
No, but what he is saying that in some of the cases you have taken a decision. That can we see.
I'll take instruction. Item 12 may be taken up also, along.
2 weeks.
Probably.
Next, it will be election.
Election.
That is not specific. Additional special list. Election petition number 1 of 2018.
One Milord, here I am appearing for OP number 2, Election Commission of India, Milord. Here this, by approach of time, this has become infructuous, Milord. 2018 Rajya Sabha election has been challenged.
Someone is there for the petitioner. There is no representation on behalf either of the petitioner or the contesting respondent or opposite party. What do you call?
Respondent, Milord.
Respondent. First Appellant Counsel appearing on behalf of the Election Commission of India is correct in his submission that this election petition putting to challenge election of respondent number, election of respondent number 1 has become infructuous. Sorry. Challenge of respondent number 1
The term has expired.
Respond number to the Council of States bracketed Rajya Sabha from Odisha constituency 2018 has become infructuous with the efflux of time as the term of respondent number 1 as member of Rajya Sabha has already expired. Stop that. The election petition, this petition is accordingly disposed of as having become infructuous.
Item number 2.
Item 2, my lord, here this has become also infructuous. I have also filed an IA for seeking permission to open the strong room and take away the EBMs, because the EBMs are now old model. It has to be sent for the destruction to the companies, manufacturing
It
companies.
has become infructuous.
That was a Punarva taken away. Listed matters issues to issue the notice matters.
No, you are the election petitioner. So what relief you can get now in this matter?
So without recording my concession matter.
So therefore, it has become infructuous.
Without recording my concession matter, be pleased to.
No, there is no question of concession. This was with regard to what? Which election?
2019
That also expired.
Yeah, therefore, this election petition putting to challenge the election of respondent number one. Respondent number one to 41 bracketed 41-Soro bracketed SC Assembly constituency held in 2019 has become infructuous. Stop. This application is accordingly disposed of. Stop.
Pending application, IS is also disposed.
The interlocutory application, pending interlocutory application stands disposed of. You have that liberty once no specific order is required. Yes.
Orders item number 3.
Here I appear for the petitioner. I am in DC.
But what is the purpose? It can be disposed of. Similar terms.
It has become infructuous.
Infructuous. And senior counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner states that this election petition has become infructuous with the lapse of time. It stands disposed of accordingly.
Item number 4, public notice.
Here I appear for the election petitioner, and by efflux of time, the election petition has become infructuous.
Same order.
May I
There
please?
is a stay of Honorable Supreme Court in SLP number C 36218 by 2017.
Stay of what? Stay of what?
Here, my lord, against order 7, rule 11 application,
Proceeding of the election.
SLP was filed. The Honorable Apex Court has stayed the further proceeding of this election petition.
But in the meantime, it has become infructuous by efflux of time.
So, according to their statement, it can be disposed of.
Yes. Has been stated. Just a minute. Yes, next.
Item number 5.
Here I appear for the election petitioner. This has become infructuous by efflux of time.
Oh, yes.
Item number 6.
6, my lord, same. 6, same.
Here I appear for the respondent. It has become infructuous by efflux of time.
Item number 7.
7, my lord.
May I please, your
I
lordship?
appear for the respondent. It has become infructuous by efflux of time.
Yes, yes, lordship.
Very good. is stated by learned counsel for the parties. Application was just. Yes, next.
Here I
Just.
appear for the
Just-
election petitioner.
How many cases are there? How many cases are
8,
there?
my lord, 8.
All right, I'm just coming back within 2 minutes.
My lord.
This has become a same infructuous.
I appear for the election petitioner. The petition has become infructuous by effect of time.
Item number 10.
Your lordship, infructuous.
Same.
Item 11.
Same.
Your lordship, infructuous.
Yes.
Item 12.
Same, my lord, infructuous. I appear for the respondent, my lord, infructuous.
Item number 13.
Your lordship, infructuous.
11.
Yes.
Well, item number 11, I appear for the respondent. It has become infructuous by effect of time.
Yes.
Item number 14.
14, my lord,
13, my lord, I appear for respondent. It has become infructuous by effect of time.
14.
Item number
14,
14.
my lord, there are 2 election petitions. Election petition number 16 of 2014, Rakesh Malik versus Parshuram Dhara, I appear for the respondent. And another also I appear for the respondent. Both the election petitions have become infructuous by effect of time.
Yes.
Item number 15.
15, my lord, same, infructuous.
Item number 16.
Your lordship, infructuous.
Infructuous.
Item 17.
17, my lord, also infructuous.
Item number 18.
Your lordship,
In
infructuous.
item number 18, I appear for the respondent. It has become infructuous by effect of time.
Yes.
Item number 19.
19, I appear for the respondent. It has become infructuous by effect of
Same.
time.
Yes. Sorry, this one.
Supplementary. Manual.
This one.
This one. Supplementary list content matters. Item number 1, CONTC 159 of 2013. I have served copy will also to the board. The 2 weeks time may be allowed to take instruction, madam. 2 weeks time.
Today election. You are for the petitioner.
I am for the petitioner, my lords. It's for the petitioner. Also directed me last occasion to serve a copy on the board because it was given to state Board of Secondary Education. They have to comply. So I have served a copy. Please take time.
As requested on behalf of the contemners. This matter on 2 weeks. This is 2013 matter. The order has not been complied with.
1 week before my lord, I have issued copy, my
All
lord.
right.
I will take instruction. Next time, madam. Item number 2.
Item number 2, in this case, I am appearing for the state here. I am a VC, my lord. Am I audible to my lords?
Yes, yes.
Lord, in fact, in this matter, I will be requesting my lords to give me 10 days time to file an affidavit, sort me a copy on 8. Otherwise, also, my lord, I beg apology because I am not on station today, my lord. I am outside Cuttack. Lord, you could kindly give me 10 days.
When do you want?
Lord, sometime week after next week. Lord.
2 weeks?
Next.
That's right.
They'll also fix up a date.
Yes, yes. Friday.
Item number 3.
Your lordship, some more time may be granted for compliance. Some more time may be granted.
Not complain.
Where is the order?
Order dated 21/1/2016, my lord. Filed in WBC number 2379 of 2015.
Order number?
Order number 2 dated 21/1/2016.
This has not been complied with.
My lord.
Why, madam?
Your Lordship,
There is virtually no order.
To approve the services of the petitioner, my lord.
2 more weeks may be granted. Your Lordship.
No, 2 more weeks. This is of 2016.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's a clear case of the contempt application was filed in 2016
My lord.
and you have not passed an order. This cannot be tolerated.
Sought for instructions, Your Lordship.
No, it's a very serious matter. So and they are not
Your Lordship, that will come after lunch. Your Lordship will seek the instructions. After at 2 p.m. Your Lordship will.
yes, I'll take up this matter at 2 p.m.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Very serious. Order passed in 2016 and you have not cared to pass even an order.
Item number 4. Order dated 8/12/2016. This court directed and permitted the petitioner to appear the test for promotion to a higher post. But they have not allowed, though have allowed to others.
Let me see the order passed.
Page 8. Order number 6. Page 8, order number 6, 8/4/2016. As an interim, it is directed that the opposite party shall allow the
Just a minute. Which order has been violated?
order dated 8/4/2016.
Where is that order? Where is that order? This is 940 of 2016.
Yes, now, looking at the order dated 8/4/2016.
Mister, your contempt application is 940 of 2016.
Yes,
You have alleged violation of any order.
yes.
Where is that order in your contempt petition?
I have annexed that order. It is mentioned the noting is also there 8/4/2016.
Annexure?
Annexure 1, it is also noting. Page number 4, order dated 4/10/2016. That it is 8/4/2016.
8/4?
Yeah.
8/4, there is nothing. The matter is still pending.
Yes,
This writ petition is still pending.
yes,
2015.
yes.
So you are not allowed to appear in the trade test.
The test.
Huh?
Yes.
But what can be done now? And whether the notices were issued, served on opposite party number 2.
I have served the copy to the NESCO advocate after filing of the contempt petition.
Mr. Counsel, do you want us come to the order dated 4/10/2016?
For 2016, that order is not available with me.
Available?
No,
It is available.
it's not available with me.
Must be available because that is available with us.
Yes, I have not opted that.
You are making mockery of the court proceedings. You withdrew the writ petition, you are maintaining contempt application.
Sorry, madam.
Do you have any idea that you have withdrawn the writ petition?
No, sorry, I have no idea.
the petitioner has alleged disobedience of this court's order dated 8/4/2016, passed in WPC number 19754 of 2015. Interim order dated. So, from the order sheet of WPC number 19734 of 2015, it appears that the said writ application was withdrawn by order dated 4/10/2000, was permitted to be withdrawn by an order dated 4/10/2016, and the interim order dated 8/4/2016. First off, there is a specific order in the specific, it was clearly mentioned that mentioned in the order dated 4/10/2016 that the interim order dated 8/4/2016 would stand vacated. First off, in such view of the matter, the contempt proceeding is dropped. Yes.
Item number 5. Item 5. The direction of this Honorable Court 1/12/2015. Had not yet been completed. 1/12/2015, my lord. The direction is page 20, your lordship kindly see. Page 20. Para 22, my lord. May I read?
Yes.
Here in this case, the petitioners have been directed to be fair.
Where is the direction?
Direction in last portion, that is answer. Page 2, para 27.
Yes.
Hence, the authorities are directed to release differential amount as indicated above within a reasonable period of preferably within 6 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. That was the direction minimum pay scale, then the DA in para 26. In 19/7, the opposite, they have filed the review. The review in similar case, review has been dismissed. I have served the, last occasion I have served the copy of the similar case regarding the dismissal of the review. Till then, no affidavit compliance, nothing.
Your lordship, in similar matters, the state had approached the Supreme Court, your lordship, in SLP. And there the contents in those matters have been stayed and the Supreme Court, the SLP is still pending, your lordship.
File your so cause.
Yes, your lordship, I'll file that. We filed that, your lordship, in an IA, we have filed and given that information, your lordship. The interim application number 182 of 2016, your lordship. We have filed and we have given that information that it is still pending. The last date the SLP was listed also was on 30th of July, your lordship. It's still pending, your lordship.
Where is that? Where have you mentioned that?
No, your lordship, I'll mention, I'll file a show cause
File a
in the
show.
present status of the SLP, your lordship.
It is stated. All right, let an additional so-called affidavit be filed by, on behalf of the contenders by 2 weeks. First of, mention everything
Yes,
for
your-
dependency of the SLP and the nature of the order passed.
Yes.
Whether any order is there available on the court.
Yes, your lordship.
Order passed by the Supreme Court.
Yes, your lordship, we have that the contempt has been stayed. We have that order with us.
No, whether you have filed that in the
No,
present
your
proceeding.
lordship, we have not
Oh,
filed.
all
We-
right. Do it.
In this case, no SLP is there.
There is no question of in this case.
My lord.
See, one order has been passed in all the cases.
No, no. In this case, that case is not there in this.
That case is
It's similar to this case, your lordship.
similar will not do.
There's a review is pending, your lordship.
Review is pending.
Yes, your lordship.
There was some, what is that? Review, no notice is there.
Review 226 of 2000.
No notice there.
No.
Please examine.
Yeah, I'll examine in your lordship file. It will come 2 weeks, your lordship.
2 weeks.
Item number 6.
On item 6, my lord, this is that
And
matter.
what is this? Just a minute. What is this review petition 266 of 2016?
Those are pending, your lordship.
No, this is against some other, that review is against some other order.
No, no copies are on me and no notice is there in 266. That is relating to Gundadhar Pradhan, your lordship may say.
Your lordship, I'll, the instructions, I'll, 2 weeks time we will give.
All right, 2 weeks.
Item 6.
And it's item 6. This is that matter where they have set up the plea of limitation. Now, I was just checking out, there are 2 things I want to submit. First is this arises out of an order which is passed by the division bench. I'm not sure whether this has to go before the division bench, no? That's one. Second is there are 3 other matters which are connected to this. Execution is pending. There was a 47 application filed by them challenging execution. We succeeded before the executive.
Why are you not sure that this, whether this matter should go to the revision bench or not?
I'm told that once the order is by the division bench, the contempt
Go to the revision bench only.
So may I request that let all the connected matters go there so that this can be resolved either way, because writ petitions are pending challenging the demand, execution is pending. Maintainability of the execution has also been questioned by them. So one way or other, this can be resolved.
Those cases are of single bench.
No, it can be taken up. Otherwise,
That is a different issue, but division bench, single bench matter, so let's
all that I request is let all matters be taken up.
So give the list of all the cases.
I've given them, type them out. I've given all of.
similar content matters have also been dismissed, my lord.
All that I'm doing is let all matters be taken up together. I'm not saying anything.
I have already filed, already been dismissed, 2 content applications have already been dismissed.
Where is that?
I filed on the ground of limitation.
No,
I filed copies of those orders also.
those were there I withdrew. That was before the division bench. And all that I'm saying is let 4 matters be taken up.
All right, even if that is to be dropped, that is to be dropped by a revision.
Only I just wanted to bring to lordship notice, nothing more.
List this
Nothing more than that.
matter. Which item is this?
6.
Before a division bench. After obtaining orders from the Chief Justice. These matters can be listed, Mr.
Hello?
Yes. These matters can be listed.
This matters, single bench matters, the matter will come up with division bench. So these 3 matters are single bench matters, but CMP and WPC are single bench matters.
If the dispute is integrally connected, the disputes are integrally connected. We will consider them. Just make a mention when your contempt application is taken up. We will decide whether these are to be taken up.
In fact, all that I can submit is this can be resolved if all 4 are taken up together.
I'll do that.
I think my friend,
Let that be done.
my senior friend is very fair. All these can be resolved by this. If they succeed in the writ petitions, then my claim, entire thing goes.
And even otherwise, those are old matters, should be decided as soon as it is possible.
In fact, incidentally, in this writ petition, since it's public sector money, the court raised alarm saying it was shocked that how public money is being frittered.
No, listen, I will I'm sorry.
You cannot take advantage of your seniority, Mr.
I'm sorry, I'm excused.
And that order was challenged before the Supreme Court. There also they lost. And thereafter now of course, there is a.
All right, we'll consider.
We are grateful to you.
We'll consider.
Well, lordship, fix a date, my lord.
It will come, because the Chief Justice will pass some order.
Item number 7.
May I please, your lordship? The lordship have a glance order number 15 dated 2/8/2024, my lord. The lordship have a glance order number 15 dated 2/8/2024, my lord.
15 orders passed in this contempt proceeding.
Yes, your lordship has directed to State Council to take instruction on the resolution dated 79/2013, because the tribunal directed disposed of with the direction to take appropriate steps for regulation of the case of the applicant and the issue appointment order as has been done in similar persons.
So where is the order?
Yes, madam.
Where is the order violation of which has been alleged?
Yes, madam. My, page
isn't
5 of my
validated.
contempt petition, madam. Page 5 of my contempt petition,
Yes,
running page 6, my
yes,
contempt petition.
yes.
Last para, running page 6, last para. Considering the submission of the learning counsel for the applicant and learning standing counsel as the grievance of the applicant for regular appointment on completion of 6 years of service has not been denied and is pending active consideration of response number 3. The O is disposed of with the direction to response number 1, 2, and 3 to take appropriate action for regulation of the services of applicant and issue appointment order following the resolution of the government dated 79/2013 as has been done in the case of similarly situated paramedical staff such as multipurpose health worker male of Devgarh district by the order communicated in memo number dated 5/7/2016 and such action be taken within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of a copy of this. So after this order manner, without complying or without challenging the same manner, the authority is superseding the order of the tribunal, he has passed another order in which your lordship is directed on 2/8/2004 to take instruction on the why the 79/2013 of the government order resolution not distinguishable in all the present. Order number 15, your lordship, last occasion also.
Yes,
Should we pass a speaking order in this matter, your lordship?
Last occasion, there is arbitration speaking order matter. Again,
no, if they say that your case can be distinguished, then you cannot proceed further. Madam, please see the order dated 2/5/2024.
Yes, your lordship.
If his case cannot be distinguished from others who have been regularized, whose services have been regularized, then please consider the order, observation made in the order dated 2/8/2024.
Yes, your lordship. Lordship may grant me 3 to 4 weeks time, your lordship will be,
This matter is pending since 2017.
as a last chance, 4 to 4 weeks time may be granted, your lordship, so that we can, the department and.
By way of last indulgence, 2 weeks' time is allowed for the contemners to state, to file an affidavit stating whether the case of the petitioner is distinguishable from those paramedical staff such as MPHW bracketed M of Devgarh district whose services have been regularized, comma, keeping in mind the observation made by this court in the order dated 2/8/2024 passed in the present contempt proceedings. 2 weeks, yes.
Item number 8.
Complied, your lordship.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. And counsel appearing on behalf of the opposite party's contemners states that this court's order violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application has been complied with. What's wrong? In such view of the matter, the contempt proceeding stands dropped.
Item number 9.
9 also complied, Your Lordship.
Complied? Complied.
Item number 10.
Your Lordship, pardon me for VC. As for the petitioner, we have just received information that the petitioner is dead. And his legal heirs are not interested to substitute themselves also. Your Lordship may proceed.
Mr.
Yes, sir, fine.
Mr. S.R. Panigrahi, learned counsel, has informed this court that the petitioner died during the pendency of the present contempt application, and his legal heirs are not interested in pursuing the matter anymore. So, present contempt proceeding stands dropped accordingly. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 11.
Complied, Your Lordship.
Complied. Complied. Yes.
Item 12.
Complied, Your Lordship.
Right.
There are compliance.
Give
Rehabilitation appointment.
please. See, give it.
12 complied, Your Lordship.
Do you have a copy?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, complied.
Item number 13.
Want liberty?
Some time may be granted, Your Lordship.
Just a minute.
You will have to kindly go through this. There is a clear direction. Now they say that they are not eligible. How the 10 Lordship is clear direction, Lordship.
Latest.
There is a clear direction to appointment.
Item 12.
The recapitulation and disposal directing the opposite party to extend the benefit of rehabilitation to the petitioner. The entire essay completed within 1.5 months. Now they said that this is the different rules, all these things.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
There is no provision.
Reject question.
And that's 2020 rules are made application.
Mr.
Died in 2016.
No case of contempt. Was there any notice given to the other side before passing of this order?
No, the government has passed the order.
Government has passed that order.
Yes.
But the order which according to you has been violated. So without notice, where is the question of contempt?
And the Lawrence Standing Council, government council is there.
But council is there, but the notice was not issued to the other side. There was no opportunity for them to controvert.
The council admitted that admission is there.
Council cannot admit without facts.
They have admitted it.
Following is the order passed by this court in WPC number 10073 of 2017, dated 21/6/2017, violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application, considering rival contentions of the parties. So it is an admitted fact that the said order was passed without issuance of formal notices to the opposite parties. Also, be that as it may, comma, in the light of the, in view of the said order, comma, who has passed the order?
District Education Officer, Your Lordship.
The district education officer has passed an order denying the petitioner's claim. So stop. Order dated
Dated 16/8/2022.
16/8/2023.
16/8/2022, Your Lordship.
24.
22.
22. Stop. Next, since the order dated 21/6/2017 was passed without giving the opposite parties an opportunity to file counter affidavit on facts, I am not inclined to initiate contempt proceeding against the contemners. Stop. This contempt proceeding is dropped with a liberty to the petitioner to challenge the decision, challenge the order dated so and so passed by the district education officer.
Item number 13.
Yes,
13 some time, one appeal.
13.
Some time may be given 2 weeks time.
Let me see the order.
Request for compliance affidavit, Your Lordship.
You had to consider only
Yes, Your Lordship.
when that is
Granted
being
aid.
done.
Granted aid, Your Lordship.
We have been,
I just seek instructions.
who is for the petitioner?
And no one is appearing.
Huh? No one appears dismissed.
Item 14. Item for the petitioner, my lord. I filed a complaint, so my lord, the order has been complied. No, my lord, that is not complied. And apart from that, in the affidavit, they have stated that the petitioner has already been retired, my lord. So I have to add the present principal as a party. Because there is a direction to the principal to calculate the period.
With the order.
My lord, the lordship may see the order dated. That is page 12, relevant portion page 12, it starts from page 10, my lord. May I read? Last paragraph of that order, my lord, may I read? Page 12, my lord. He further submits that after the representation being filed, the Director of Higher Education disposed of the same by passing a speaking order, and he filed a copy of the same today in court, which is taken on record. Relying on the said order, he submits that the Director has directed the governing body of the college to regularize the services of the petitioner from 11/3/2005 to 14/12/2005, and to pay his salary and other interim relief benefits, if any, with a period of 1 month, but the opposite party number 4 is sitting over the same. He submit to direct the opposite party number 4 to comply the direction of the Director of Higher Education, my lord. Therefore, last, considering the submission, Lord and Council, for both the parties in view of direction of the court passed earlier, and in view of the representation already made and disposed of by the order dated 10/3/2010 of the Director of Higher Education, the opposite party number 4 is directed to comply the same within a period of 3 months from today, my lord. Thereafter, they filed a writ appeal. In the writ appeal, your lordship has been pleased to pass an order. In May,
Where is that?
but in their a compliance affidavit, they have quoted the order of the writ appeal, my lord. It is on record, your lordship.
Yes.
Writ appeal.
It has been modified.
Yes, modified only, your lordship, I am reading. In that view of matter, modified in the extent that the principal will send to the, but till that the principal has not sent the proposal for that
All
particular.
right, it will be seen by a division bench.
My lord,
Division bench can see because the order of the single judge merged with the order passed by
yes,
the
your lordship,
the
Division bench may submit. In the division bench, he has also filed another contempt application that was also dropped. It against the order of the appeal. What happened, if my lord permit me on.
just a minute. So he filed contempt application alleging disobedience of this order 12/3/2019.
24. 24/3/17.
See, an order was passed by a single judge. Thereafter, a contempt application was filed. A writ application was filed.
No.
Writ appeal was filed.
A writ petition was disposed of at the stage of admission without receiving a notice to me. I filed a miscellaneous application to recall that order. That was not entertained. So I came to the writ appellate court. Writ appellate court modified the order because the initial direction was to comply an order.
Modified the order. Then what happened?
Then, well, against that writ appellate order, he has filed a contempt application.
Disobedience of the order.
That was dropped because that has been complied. Now what he has done, he has filed a contempt, now present contempt. Present contempt is against the original order which has already been modified.
Cannot do.
So how it is?
That is impermissible.
How it is possible?
The
order of the writ appeal, I have no knowledge about this. Because I have
no power.
I have filed my power also.
Don't talk.
No, I have filed my power, man.
Some other counsel was there.
No, I have filed my power also.
The petitioner in the present contempt application has alleged disobedience of an order of this court dated 24/3/2017, passed in WPC number 1922.
19522, man.
19522 of 2016. So stop. It appears that a writ appeal was filed by
the governing body.
By the governing body of Soro Women's College, Soro, giving rise to WA number 485 of 2017. So stop. A division bench of this court by disposed of the said writ appeal by an order dated
this is 12/3/2019.
12/3/2019 by modifying the order passed by the learned single judge. So stop. It further appears that a contempt petition was filed.
Yes, CLPC I have stated in paragraph 4. CLPC number 1076.
Alleging disobedience of, where is that?
My lord, paragraph 4 of the complaint submitted stated the number CLPC 1076 of 2019 against the non-compliance of the writ appeal order, which was dropped on 19/2/2020. Paragraph 4 of that complaint submitted.
Where is that?
Order is not with me.
Filing of the just the petitioner had filed a contempt application alleging disobedience of the order passed by the division bench, which gave rise to CONTC number 1076 of 2019. So the said contempt proceeding has arbitrarily been dropped by an order dated 19/2/2020. First off, next in the present contempt application, the petitioner is alleging disobedience of the order dated 24/3/2017 passed in WPC number 19522 of 2016, which apparently merged with the order of the division bench dated 12/3/2019 passed in WA number 485 of 2017. Since a contempt petition, the contempt proceeding alleging disobedience of the said order of the division bench of this court dated 12/3/2019 in WA number 485 of 2017 has been dropped, the present contempt application cannot be maintained and stands disposed of accordingly.
Item number 15.
Yes. On appeals, that's first.
Item number 16.
Contemptor,
My lord,
this time.
kindly excuse me, but I could not able to file my so-called within the time granted by your lordship, my lord.
Whether you have filed or not.
No, my lord, your lordship kindly grant me 1 week time, my lord, within that time I will file.
All right, but there is none to press the application.
The original proceeding has already been disposed of in the meantime, but I have two
There
flights.
is none to press.
My
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Lord and counsel for the contemptor is present. The contempt, this application is dismissed for default. Yes.
Item 17.
I think we pardon my lord. Item 14. A requisition is there to that case, my lord. That may be directed to list before the assignment.
Why the writ petition is pending? This is
Yes, they have
2010.
filed a requisition challenging this director order, my lord, which they have not complied. So that may be listed before the assignment so that it can.
No, this is WPC 7235 of
Yes, my lord, that is
2010.
pending. That is pending, my lord.
That is 10.
Yes, my lord, that is pending.
Before item number.
That's
14.
14.
Only that may be directed to.
So, sir, contempt order. WPC so and so. Let it be placed before the appropriate bench. Assigned with the appropriate bench. Yes.
Item number 17.
Lord, order dated 6/12/2009, Annex 4/4/38, para 15 conditions. That has not yet been complied.
Where is the order?
Order Annex 4/4, page 38, para 15. Or in page 38, Annex 4. In view of the above, the writ application is allowed and the improved order is squashed. Opposite party number 2, Commissioner for Work and Compensation from Assistant Labor Commissioner, purpose is guided to take steps for recovery the compensation amount as awarded term of judgment dated 31/2018 and payment thereof to the petitioner as earlier no cost. Yet they have not, after order, not take any step to recover the amount. However, they have giving me another counter affidavit. I have also prepared a written note. I have prepared a written note of basing on the decision of Kolaharta under the appeals court. The manner of recovery and adjustment amount the honorable appeals court held. Basing on that, I have prepared a written note. Your lordship can see, and that is covered total my case.
No, but whether the steps have been taken or not.
Yes,
When you stepped at as well.
as per the modified order, we've, as your lordship had directed, we have filed a further affidavit, your lordship. The contempt was dropped on the last occasion, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship has sorted whether that money has been disposed of or not and what can be done. We file a further affidavit, Your Lordship, in pursuance to the modified order of this Honorable Court. If I may read out the part, Your Lordship, the part. Therefore, the direction of the Commissioner to pay penal interest at the rate of 12% is set aside, and the appellant insurance company is directed to pay interest at the rate of 6% per annum on the awarded amount from the date of filing of the application till the date of deposit of the awarded amount. Then the amount shall be deposited within 6 weeks from today. If the amount is not deposited within 6 weeks from today, the earlier direction issued by the Commissioner to pay penal interest shall revive. The imperial order is modified accordingly. According to this modified order, Your Lordship, it has been recovered and it has been paid, Your Lordship.
That is the order I am challenging contempt proceeding. Court will be different. My one friend stated that is a penal interest. But I am saying our compensation amount.
That amount is also been paid, Your Lordship.
Court held. What is only for that they have not complied. Penal interest different with that.
We have annexed the money received.
What is the order?
Order, Your Lordship, the para, annexure 4, 30, page 38, para 15.
Read it.
Yes,
Para,
para 15,
read it.
30.
Oh, just
Yes, yes. In view of the above, the writ application is quashed and improved order is quashed. The opposite party, number 2, Commissioner for Compensation of After Labor Commissioner, is directed to
take steps. That's all. So they have taken steps. They might have taken wrong steps. They might have taken steps not in accordance with law. But that cannot be considered in a contempt proceeding.
Take step as per order of 31, 2008.
Yes.
31 will be different. Amount is the fees. 31 to 2008 order is different. That is the main order. And review order is class. 32 order amount I have given a table. In my review, I have given a table. What is my liability?
No, that liability is that the direction was to take steps for recovery of compensation as awarded in terms of the judgment dated 31/1/2008.
Yes.
That is the order. They have taken a step.
They have not taken. My amount that period is 10 lakh. They have paid only 1 lakh.
That is immaterial. That is immaterial.
They have not
You can challenge that.
As you can see my written note and after decision, you have I will give you every details.
Mr. Counsel, that cannot be decided in a contempt jurisdiction because contempt case is filed for punishment of a person.
That is what he stated. My honorable, that is the order of 17/8/2012. That is not a contempt proceeding. That is a penal separate proceeding. The nexus of that is different. I am not challenging. I am agree. In local I have decided that is a different case. This case is different.
This is a contempt proceeding.
Yes, contempt proceeding not for that. That I have complied. That is a penal interest. Commissioner after order passed.
Sir, counsel, what do you want? You want compliance of this order. This order has been complied with.
They are not compliant. That is different order. They are misleading your honor's report.
All right.
Because I will labor case. And there was a power given to the commissioner.
All right. Just show us where is the judgment. 31/1/2008.
Judgment.
See, this paragraph 15 refers to a judgment dated
Yes,
31.
that judgment is your lordship kindly page. I have annexed that judgment. Page 25, annexure 3, running page, annexure 3. Order is running page 24. Order. I am reading the order. That the governing case 493 to D 2013, 494 D 2013, and 495 D 2013 are allowed in what on the contest against the opposite party. The OP party number 2, Messrs. Mill India Insurance Company, Cantonment Road, Kotak is hereby directed to deposit a sum of rupees 3,27,705 only in WCS number 493B 2003 and rupees 3,32,055 feet in 3 so only in the WCS of 494 2003 and a sum of rupees 3,11,970 in WCS number 495 2000 in the court within 30 days for receipt of this order, failing which it shall be lie interest 12% from date of action. That is the order. But they have deposited the amount when they have not complied this order. Commissioner, after matter has been added to this court and division bench, all the forum that was yesterday and matter is at least finally when they have not paid. So commission by exercise 4 pass another order, you pay penal interest that has been proposed. Why are you taking that advantage? I am not challenging that. That is, I have disposed this is few local.
Next week, brief the
I have some.
I'll consider.
Supreme Court decision can be seen once. So Supreme Court decision.
Supreme Court decision may decide your entitlement, but the Supreme Court does not say that the court should proceed in contempt matter.
Procedure of the inquiry amount that has been decided under Supreme Court.
Please appreciate this. In a contempt proceeding, the court is required to see their intention to comply with the order.
Yes.
If they had intention to comply with the order, they complied with the order wrongly, the court is not required to proceed in a contempt matter.
That order, what is it? That is segment. That is different in my lordship. That is different that no nexus in this there.
All right, I'll try to understand.
Item 18.
Similar matter, your lordship.
Similar.
Yes, your lordship. 18 and 19 are similar.
Similar matter.
18 same.
19 also.
18.
Pardon, my lord. Item 16, my lord. I was on the lower court.
All right, no problem. What do you want?
My lord, the contempt has been filed. My learned senior.
All right, 2 weeks. Further time is allowed for the opposite party, contemptors, to file the so-called compliance affidavit.
Item number 20.
20 complied, your lordship.
Manual should be granted.
Item 21.
On appeal.
I'm for Contempt Development Authority matters. The interim order is alleged to have been violated. That is against the private property party. They have undertaken construction in violation of the direction of the law.
On appeal dismissed. WPC to case before appropriate bench. WPC is pending.
Yes, that is pending.
Item 22.
Each case notice was issued on 19/4/2019, my lord. The order is not complied with.
Where is the order?
Order is there quoted at page 2, my lord. At page 2 of the contempt application. The relevant question is, considering the innocuous nature of the prayer made by the petitioner, last paragraph, this petition is disposed of with a direction to the opposite but number 3. Tahsildar bond to dispose of the proceeding in enforcement case number 85 of 2014, if pending within a period of 4 months from the date of production of the certified copy of this order, giving opportunity of hearing to the parties. This is the order. Thereafter, it was also on the prayer of the intervener modified to some extent, but so far, my lord, the enforcement case is pending and it has not yet been disposed of.
Your lordship, 2 weeks time will be granted. Seek compliance.
2 weeks time is allowed for the allowed as offer on behalf of the contenders to file so-called reply.
Item number 23. My please, your lordship, the last occasion the state has taken the instruction whether it has been complied or not. And still it has not been complied, my lord.
2 weeks further, 2 weeks time, your lordship.
Other 2 weeks.
Number 24.
Lord, 24 order has been complied. I am serving copy of the order to the petitioner.
No, my lord. Payment has not been made.
Was there in direction for payment?
Payment has already been sanctioned and petitioners, since petitioner has died, his wife has been requested to submit all the self-attested documents regarding the legal heir certificate and all, and accordingly it will be disbursed.
All documents.
I'm just submitting the order, my lord, for time difference.
Because my lord, the order running page 23 of the brief, your lordship kindly. And in the document, the honorable
Submitting the order.
single judge held that the petition is entitled to the enhanced remuneration at the revised rate, special allowance, house rent allowance, and other incentives, except the dearness allowance from the respective dates as applicable to other contractual employees as per Annex 9. This court directs to pay the same to the petitioner within a period of 3 months from today. That is the judgment passed in the year 2017. Thereafter, the OP number 2, the contempt number 2 and 4 have preferred writ appeal, and writ appeal has already been dismissed since a year ago. And till date, they have not complied. On 2nd of August, the contempt number 2 and 4 sought for 2 weeks time to comply the order. I have already submitted all the documents except legal heir certificate, and they have not complied till date.
So this amount has been paid.
My lord, no question, may kindly see the order.
Amount has not been paid.
Just I have also served the order copy. Second page of the order, your lordship will see.
No, but this is of 13.
13th August, it has been complied. Lordship granted on 2nd August, your lordship granted 2 weeks time to comply the order, and that has been complied in the meantime.
No, I'm not satisfied.
My lord, it has been complied, or it has.
No, it has not. Whether the amount has been paid or not.
My lord, your lordship may see the 3rd page of the order.
What is it?
Copy to, your lordship may kindly receive.
Yes, tell us.
Copy to
Tell me.
Srimati Krishna Priya Mishra, wife of late Dibakar Mishra, ex-cashier, DPO SSA Denkana, legal heir of the petitioner, at present so and so, for information and necessary action, she is requested to produce the following self-attested documents.
First pay and then
Undersigned at an.
how much time will you take to?
My lord, all money has already been sanctioned. He has been requested to come along with all the documents and he to discuss.
Give the documents.
My lord, if she produces.
Submitted document except legal heir certificate, and legal heir certificate.
Go and do it.
My lord.
Let this matter after. Let this matter on 3 weeks.
My lord, 3 weeks.
So in the meanwhile, the contenders had ensured that the concerned amount is deposited in the account of the legal heirs of the petitioner who is now deceased.
Deceased.
Petitioner bracketed the deceased in terms of this court's order dated so and so. Yes.
But interest may be imposed, my lord, seeing that there is.
Interest I cannot impose.
Telling me they will pay the interest. Because my lord, the appeal has been dismissed since a year ago. Until that, they are not.
Item number 25. May I please, your lordship? Lord, the order is not been complied.
Where is the order?
Lord, the order is under Annex 1 at page 9, your lordship.
What is the order?
Relevant portion is at page 10, Lord.
Yes.
The opposite parties are directed to comply the notification issued by them and reassess the conversation fees with the respect to the house allotted in favor of the petitioner's father and allow the conversion within a period of 3 months from the date of production of the certified copy of the order by the respondents. Thereafter, my lord, the first contempt was filed.
No, forget first contempt.
My lord, there they didn't disclose anything. In the secondary contempt, they disclosed that writ appeal is pending. Writ appeal was dismissed on the ground of a delay. There was a delay of 286 days. There, my lord, thereafter, my lord, they preferred a review in 18 review petition 187/2022. There the delay is 394 days. And the defect has not been removed and the review is pending and contempt is live or not. The order has not been complied with, it's a matter of 2017 laws.
Comply with the order.
2 weeks' time may be given, your lordship will seek the instructions in fact.
If this review is pending, my lord, the contempt is not effective, my lord.
Review in the writ appeal.
Yes. Writ appeal was dismissed on the ground of a delay of 286 days. Then, my lord, the review is filed with a delay of 394 days. Only the applications are filed to harass the petitioner lost.
It is an admitted position that this court's order dated 23/6/2017 passed in WPC number 8097 of 2017 has not been complied with. So, writ appeal filed against the said order was dismissed on the ground of limitation. Stop. The contemners are said to have filed a review application seeking review of the order passed by the division bench of this court in WA number 165 of 2018, which is pending. Stop. List this case on 4 weeks. Stop. And counsel for the contemner shall be at liberty to take steps for early hearing of the review application by making a mention. Stop. At the same time, I am of the opinion that the implementation of this court's order dated 23/6/2017 has remained pending for no valid reasons. Stop. Accordingly, the contemners shall be required to file an additional so-called reply as to why contempt proceeding be not initiated against them. Yes.
Item number 26.
Over the order dated 28/8/2017 ಮೇಲೆ Annexure 1, page 14.
Yes.
That's my humble contention. Sir, already gone through the order. My humble contention, the order has been complied with. Complied with petitions, one part cannot be complied with, maybe because he has retired in the meanwhile. By the time the order passed, this part cannot be brought to the notice of the Honorable Court because it was disposed of at the admission stage. By the time the order passed, when the order was, that is on 28/8/2017, the petitioner retired in the 2015. It will be 60 years, suppose it will become 60 years, then also you retire in 2070 salary. But the salary component means by the time, the order may kind of has to be so order.
We understand.
Perspective manners. It is perspective, but I'm getting manners, I'm reading that portion of the order manners, that manners have only read it.
That I have read.
Read it. That is perspective in nature. He filed the petition manners after this order passed. That is, we filed the order, I put it 3/4 date minus 10 to visual authority. 3/4 date should clarify the things. Means, he retired on 31st July.
Did he attain age of 50?
2015.
Huh?
31st July 2015.
Yes.
When the extension was made, thereafter managed in the year 2017, since 2017. Honorable High Court disposed of the writ petition matters on, so that is on, that is on 28/8/2017. By that time also he retired.
No, what is the decision in case of Premlata?
Premlata Contempt is a case concerning the Kotak Development Authority. There the petitioner said that I should have been extended the age of 60 up to 60 years. The court allowed me, specified 4 conditions. One and condition in this case matters, they said that it would be also applicable to the housing board. It is a disposed of at admission stage matters. My humble contention, what we did is, because of the fact that he has retired, we treated this as a national period and we extended them the to increment and revise the benefits. So we extended them all extended him all the benefits. Once I enforced this order manners, kind of a glance to the order manners in my so-called, we have extended those benefits. He says that all this period, though I have not worked, I retired since 2015, but still I am entitled to that benefit, I should be extended that benefit. And that way, the order you also might say a bit confusing, of course, once with the leave manner side on this play manner. Kind of
there is no decision. There is no decision of the High Court to the effect that if here's what is your submission?
That is clause B.
My submission is that he had initially filed a case prior to his retirement in 2015. Before he attained the age of 58 years. But that before that judgment was passed, the petitioner retired in the year 2015. But again, he filed the petition in 2017, which specifically stated that. Whether I am reading the order, the 2 parts.
No, that is, see, here the question is whether a contempt is made out or not. Is there any direction for payment of salary?
It relates to that. My lord, the employee who moved the court of the irrectity of the matter, whether an interim order was passed in their favor or not, shall be entitled to full salary up to the age of 60 years.
That is in the case.
It is applicable to this matter.
Just a minute.
My lord, in this case also it has been extended to the petition.
So where is your first writ petition?
First it has been already disposed of, my lord.
2000 may point out one thing.
In what direction? Just a minute. In what direction?
Well, there is no direction because to dispose of the petition. So that was not there. Now in the present petition also, it has been specifically mentioned. Those who had approached this court before they attained the age of 58 years, they will be entitled, even if they retire, they will be entitled.
His contention is that this order was passed when you had already retired.
Yes,
Now the question, this will not apply because passed in their favor or not shall be entitled to full salary up to 60 years. And either salary shall be paid to them after adjusting the amount when you paid. But you did not get that order in that case.
No.
And when was this case decided?
But the first case matters.
No, Premalata Panda.
Premalata Panda was decided on 14/7/2015.
14/7/2015
matters.
And when was your writ petition, first writ petition disposed of?
That was disposed of matters, representation disposal on 31/7/2015.
Just before the retirement at the age of 50.
It's a direction to dispose of the representation.
See, this was disposed of.
The most confusing is clause D matters.
Clause D?
Clause D of that matters, the order matters, the Premalata Panda case clause D, clause A and clause D, Honorable Court Director, clause D. If he has a time that he can be restored back to the service and can continue till retirement. But why that time matters? Because it was disposed of at the admission stage.
No, D is nothing. D is in respect of that petitioner.
That was clause D means what, but Honorable Court managed to require is that if the short period is there, 60 years, some months are there to reach at 60.
No, D will not apply.
D will not apply.
He deals with particular case of the petitioner of that case.
Yes.
A is the general.
A my lords, A is in respect of CDO employees, my lords, it is in general. Those who have come before the Honorable Court, interim order passed or not. Here in this case, they have come before the Honorable Court, Honorable Court directed disposal of the representation.
So forget 6D, whether it comes under 6A or
not. That is that because in interpretation. A or not, that because in interpretation, because by the time the order was passed, by the time was this order, I mean this order.
We understand, I understand this, but you had to implement 6A.
6A,
sorry, A.
6A.
16A.
6A minus the 6A order minus 16A case. In the particular case minus, the petitioner minus retired on 31/7/2015.
This is the general order. This is not this. A lays down the law. At employees who moved the court of law, irrespective of fact whether interim order was passed in their favor or not, shall be entitled to salary. Up to the age of 60 years, do that.
Here in this case, perhaps he retired on 31/7/2015. He filed the writ application on 25/6/2015. It was there was a direction to.
No, before retirement he had filed.
Before his retirement, he had filed.
Covered by 16A.
Yes.
Don't comply with the order. Suffer the consequences.
Well, sir, then I will permitted managers to comply the order, managers I may be giving some time, madam.
The learned counsel representing the contemners submits, seeks adjournment to ensure compliance of this court's order dated 28/8/2017 in its letter and spirit. Stop this as requested, list this matter on 3 weeks. 3 weeks you do it.
3 weeks, madam.
Otherwise, the petition is.
Because had to members during that period, he has not got the way extended the consequential notional benefit.
All right.
Here, it has not mentioned regarding the national benefit. Because if they have filed the petition at all before the.
Yes,
then minor said that.
Do it or suffer.
Supplementation. We permitted to mention the lordships, if lordship permit your lordship. We can permit it to mention on arbitration matter, where the civil number 3, both nominated arbitrator, appointed by the parties and nominated 3 arbitral tribunal, both arbitrator appointed by the parties are nominated by arbitrator, and both arbitrator failed to appoint presiding arbitrator. For which we filed section 11 application.
Well, I have not been able to take up arbitration matters since long. So what I propose to do is I'll take up those matters on Wednesday. Because it is happening every Friday that I have to leave the place. So on the arbitration matters shall be taken up on Wednesday.
Is it?
In the
Really good. Well, let's be
there are so many matters pending.
will be reached. Oblige.
Pastor matter item number 3.
Your Lordship, the order has been complied with, Your Lordship, since 11/6/2019, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Item 61 is also not complied. Item 61 in this list.
61.
Yeah.
61 what we have done.
61 is complied. Yet to be called. Not a
61 को कर देना.
Test submission item 27. But in this case, my lord, this honor court directed to dispose of a mutation case, my lord. And the Tahsildar also filed a so-called reply, my lord. They are taking to dispose of that revenue miscase, my lord. Worship kindly grant some time so that you dispose of that miscase.
How much time?
2 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks.
My lord.
Put this matter on 3 weeks so as to enable London Council for and AGA to seek further instructions as to whether this court's order, violation of which has been alleged in present contempt application, has been complied with or not. Yes.
Item 28. But in this case, my lord, your lordship directed to initiate OPLE proceeding against the encroachment proceeding, my lord. And the Tahsildar also initiated and issued the form call against the encroacher, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship, the writ application direction was threefold. The first two has been complied with, the last one has not been complied with. That's why last together when the matter was listed, Lordship has directed the council for the state to take instruction regarding whether the encroachers have been preferred any statutory appeal or not. Now, as per the so-called affidavit they have filed, since 30/2/2020, they have issued direction for eviction, but till yet that has not been carried out. In the complaints affidavit.
Any direction for carrying out the
The last part of the order, the page 11, Lordship kindly see. May I read the direction part, Lordship?
So there is no order.
Lordship, in the event an OPLE case has been initiated, the same should be decided within 6 months, Lordship.
No, which part?
Lordship,
Annexure one?
Subpara 2, page 11, Lordship, the order.
Yes.
The Subpara 1, the last 4 lines, Lordship.
Yes.
The Tahsildar shall initiate an appropriate proceeding following the provisions contained in the OPLE Act against the unauthorized encroachers and decide the same within a period of 6 months thereafter, Lordship. Your Lordship, they have only in the so-called affidavit filed that their OPLE has been initiated and from.
There's 9. There's 9.
No direction for eviction. So case only direction to decide the same within 6 months. So whether it has been decided or not.
My lord, decided and the notice was also issued to them.
It is the petitioner alleges disobedience of this court's order dated 26/7/2019, passed in WPC number 12850 of 2019. Thereby, the Tahsildar Nilgiri was directed to look into the petitioner's grievance as regards unauthorized occupation over government land and initiate a proceeding after following the provisions under the OPLE Act full formula. So stop. It is not in OPLE Act against unauthorized encroachers and decide the same within 6 months after giving the parties an opportunity of likely to be affected, an opportunity of hearing. Stop. it is not in dispute that the proceeding was initiated under OPLE Act, which has been decided. After giving the parties an opportunity of hearing. First Appellant Counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner, however, submits that the decision taken by the authority under OPLE Act has not been given effect to. First off, in my view, however, since the decision has already been taken by the competent authority in compliance of this court's order dated 26/7/2019, no case of deliberate disobedience of this court's order is made out. First of the petitioner shall be, however, the contempt application is dropped, proceeding is dropped, and counsel for the petitioner shall be at liberty to seek remedy before appropriate forum in accordance with law. Yes.
29. In this case, your lordship directed to dispose of the reputation, my lord. The authority has disposed of the reputation. Order is complied.
Suppose I will.
Item 30.
My lord, order dated 6/7/21 and annexure 1, my lord, page 5, not complied.
No, this has been complied with.
Complied with.
Rejected. Your claim has been rejected.
No, will inquire.
Encroacher has been noticed, my lord. Encroacher.
Encroacher already eviction order has been passed against the encroacher.
Issue, my lord.
My lord, the
Where is your
page 5, my lord, order.
31?
30.
Page 5, my lord. From the above development, it becomes clear that attempt of encroacher through WPC number 80 has been filed. This court has found surprise that even after dismissal of WPC number 80, there is no finality to the notice of the Tahsildar by the Annexure 9, thereby directing the encroacher to vacate the disputed land within 7 days. In such view of the matter, this court direct in the event there is no legal impediment by way of appeal against the order passed in disposal of the encroachment case number 80, all possibility attempt to be made by the Tahsildar to work out the direction at Annexure 9 by the completing the entire exercise within a period of 1 month.
What is the order? Which part of the order has been violated? So whether any appeal was preferred or not?
They have not preferred the appeal. So
Encroacher is not a party to the writ petition, my lord.
So whether encroacher was parties?
no, man. Encroacher was a party before the Tahsildar.
Tahsildar, then how all your this order would be passed? Sorry. The present contempt application has been filed alleging disobedience of this court's order dated 6/7/2021, passed in WPC number 8707 of 2021. 6/7/2021 क्या है? 6 हाँ?
6/7.
Stop. Following is the relevant part of the sin order from the above development. There we go. It will dispose of. Next. The said writ petition was disposed of by the aforesaid order at the stage of admission itself without issuance of any notice to the affected persons. They were impleaded parties.
No, my lord.
The enclosures were impleaded parties.
Encroacher is not party before the
The
encroacher is a party before the
encroachers were not implicated as parties in the contempt proceeding, in the writ proceeding. So, in such view of the matter, comma, the present contempt proceeding does not. What have you done?
Now we have already issued notice to the encroacher now, to leave the land.
I forgot. AGA has submitted that notices have already been issued to the encroachers for eviction pursuant to the decision in encroachment case number 534 of 2015. Stop. Next, since the order was passed, order dated 6/7/2021 was passed without, in the absence of the encroachers, comma, in my opinion, comma, I am not inclined to proceed in the present contempt matter. Contempt proceeding stands stopped. Particularly in the light of the fact that the Tahsildar taken a step for removal of encroachment. Yes.
Lord 31. 31 my lord also we have completed the order.
Yeah.
Leave granted, man.
Leave.
Lord 32. 32 also we have completed.
No one appears complied with.
Item 33. 33 we have also completed.
Complied with liberty.
34.
The order violated at page 8.
Already completed.
Complied.
Complied.
Well, I've seen me grant me liberty.
Liberty.
Item 35. 35 grant from CAT to comply the order.
2 weeks as requested on behalf of the contemners to report full compliance of this court's order. Yes.
Item number 36. 36 complied.
Complied.
37. 37 complied.
Yes.
Item number 38.
Liberty to 38.
37 man.
Liberty.
38 so moto.
Yes.
Item 38.
Six.
Does this matter on 4 weeks? The registry to submit a report as regards stage of CRLMC number 441 of 2024. So pending, no pending.
Pending. It's CRLMC pending.
4 weeks कर दो सर. मुझे रिपोर्ट्स दे देना. रिपोर्ट्स दे देना उसका फिजिकल.
39. Same.
Same.
Here read something. 39 read something.
Okay, can all right.
Item number 40.
40 my lord, kindly grant some time. 40 my lords, I'm appealing. My lords, may kindly see the last order, my lords. Order dated 2/8/2024.
What was the order?
My lords, they have taken time to obtain instruction.
Grant some time, my lord. Last things.
Please.
My lord.
By way of last intelligence, the matter is adjourned to 2 weeks. So as to enable learned counsel for the contemners, learned AGA appearing for the contemners to seek instructions as regards compliance of this court's order, violation of which has been alleged in the present contempt application. Yes.
41. 41 complied with me. With the liberty. 42. 42 my lord complied with me. That was liberty. Item 43. 43 my lord complied with.
Complied with liberty.
43 no. Compliance my lord. Take some time.
No one appears of the petitioner. It is stated by Spencer that the order has been complied with. Sitting is dropped. Yes.
Item 44.
44 may appeal.
My lord, his service has been regularized. Current salary he is getting. We filed a compliance affidavit. My learned friend has filed an objection that his arrears have not been paid. In the meantime, it has been processed. Within a week, the arrear amount.
As requested on behalf of the contemners by learned AGA, is this matter on 2 weeks.
My lords.
For full compliance of this court's order. Yes.
Item number 45.
If I may please the lordship, item 45, I am the petitioner. On the last occasion, the lordship has directed us to serve a copy on the learned DSDI. Now already been served, the lordship.
My lord, we have sought for the instruction, my lord, we are awaiting for the instruction, my lord, kindly, it will be taken after 2 weeks.
As requested on behalf of the opposite parties, this matter on 3 weeks. For him to seek instructions and file compliance affidavit.
Item 46.
46 my lord, in this case, my lordship directed to dispose of the representation, my lord. The principal secretary disposing the representation directed the collector Bhadrap to conduct a review DPC, my lord.
Disposed of.
Till not conducted the review DPC. Till not conducted the review DPC.
Who has?
No, the government directed to conduct a review DPC to the collector, but till collector not conducted a review DPC.
Where is the order of this court?
Annexure 1, my lord. Authority portion is my lord.
No, that has been complied with. The direction was to the principal secretary. The principal secretary has done his job.
My lord.
Complied with.
47. 47 my lord complied with.
My lord, Complaint not complaint, not complaint the order entered, your lordship kindly see.
46.
47.
That's
Not
right.
compliant.
I am giving that copy, madam.
My lord,
Let me see the order first.
I am giving.
Yes, whether representation has been disposed of or not.
depends on, my lord, what, your lordship kindly see the order,
Yes.
page, operating part to page 9, my lord. But in this read petition, my lord, para 2, para 3, in this read petition has sought.
I will not see that. I'll see just the operative part, paragraph 5.
That is the operating part, but observation given in para 4, my lord.
Observation.
Para 4, my lord, kindly see, para 4. Comment on earlier occasion, notice was issued to the opposite parties, in response to which Land Council for the State placed the instructions letter ethics that relevant person of the which is extra.
See, Mr. Counsel, the direction was only for disposal of your representation, nothing else.
Representation, but they have admitted that my name is placed in the. They are admitted while disposal of representation.
You can challenge that order if that order is illegal.
You have already antedated. Yes, I have given that copy of that order to my complaints affidavit.
Liberty.
Because my friend has not seen that.
Yes.
Item number 48. 48 my complied with. 48 complied.
Liberty may be given. Liberty.
Item 49. 49 already complied. Yes. पैसा दिया है ये.
Yes. Liberty. 49.
Already payment has been made.
Comply with no liberty. Yes.
Item 50.
Item 50, your lordship.
50 my lord complied with.
Not complied. When the second contempt has been filed, the state council at that time also got liberty to file.
Liberty.
Yes.
51. That 51 already process has been made. Today payment will be made. You will not call this matter. I'm giving also instruction to.
Is this matter on?
Yes, sir.
Next week.
Already.
Next week you will also. Let us see.
Today payment will be
Let
made.
there be full compliance.
Item 52.
May I please, sir? This is the second concept.
My
Other belongs to
SLP is pending.
SLP is pending.
not yet filed perhaps.
SLP is pending.
SLP is pending, not yet
Because
filed.
they have filed the SOCAS, and that SOCAS they have taken the stand that SLP.
Now he is saying,
Diary number my 33171 of 2024. Please see my instruction.
SLP.
At lot 53.
Oh, that was disposed of. But what about that order?
That order.
What is the order?
The order was that they have filed a letter that they have complied with the order, which was passed in the same application. For which matter the contempt was dropped. But in fact, they have not complied with the order, for which matter I have filed an interim application. In the repetition, there was an order to give the real salary within 1 month. Because they have not paid the real salary, within that time, I have filed a contempt application. In the contempt application, they have produced a letter that they have already complied with by paying the leave salary. But in fact, they have not paid. For which matter I have filed a higher application that the order has not been complied with. While my higher application was pending, my pension as well as my salary which I have drawn while I was in service. Because there was a letter for reduction of the salary, which I have challenged in another petition. In that petition, there was an interim order that no recovery shall be made.
but they have recovered the amount from the lead salary, which was paid after 10 months of the order that they have complied. Therefore, there is a second. Considering all the facts, my lord, this honorable court, by order dated in the present contempt application, by order dated 15/3/2024,
Fifteen,
15/3/2024.
yeah, this is 7954. Yes.
7954, again.
Which order did you mention?
Pardon me.
Which order you were mentioning? Order dated?
15/3/2024.
Yes. So what is the order?
That order of the obtain instruction with regard to the differential amount of the lead salary, which is required to be paid to the petitioner. On this, on the basis of the statement made by the Law and Council contempt by disposing the previous contempt document based on the pre-revised. They have to only pay the differential amount, nothing more than that.
What is the contempt value has filed the contempt against the interim order, wherein direction was in the interim there shall be no recovery based on the office order issued annexure 11. That she is saying that there is a recovery, no recovery is made. What has happened, my lord? After revision of the provisional pension, it was reduced to 20, earlier it was 35,000. So when it was revised, it became 28,000. So no recovery is made. Your lordship can find it from my so called reply.
For that reason, my lord, I have shown to your lordship the previous order.
Where is 22/8/2023 order?
22/8/2023, my lord, that is annexure 1 to the contempt petition.
No, not an extra one. You have alleged disobedience of this order. Where is that order?
That order, my lord, that page 10 in the present contempt application.
Page 10. So you are alleging disobedience of an interim order.
Interim order, but the background of the case is that.
All right.
Your lordship is fine.
All right, just a minute. That matter is pending. This matter, the petitioner has alleged disobedience of an interim order passed by this court in WPC number 25102 of 2023, which is pending. Stop this matter along with WPC number so and so before the appropriate bench where the said writ petition is pending. They said along with WPC number so and so before appropriate bench.
Now, this contempt matter will be listed.
Yes, along with that.
It was 54.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, can I see the last order? Order number 7 dated 21/6/2024.
54 order has been complied with, but that instruction is not your lordship may call this matter next week. I'll
Next week,
As your lordship, please.
as the question on behalf of the contenders, this matter on next week.
Item number 55. In that case, the connected writ appeal who have filed was there was mistake regarding the observation the payment was due till 2017. That was a mistake because he already in his earlier terminated in 2012. He till 2010 whatever benefit we have already given him. So that needs modification of the writ appeal order. Let the writ appeal division bench that let it come thereafter contempt will be taken. Contempt.
This contempt is for disobedience of which order?
In the violation of order dated 19/2/2020, read with order dated 3/2/2023, the date on which the read appeal filed by the containers, read appeal filed by the container got dismissed, my lord. Operative portion is at page number 27. Last paragraph, my lords.
So the writ appeal has been dismissed.
Yes, my lord. Since, my lords, 3/2/2023, my lords.
But my lord, but just a minute, let him, it is his case.
Page number 27, last paragraph, my lords.
Yes.
Yes. It is further directed that the respondent Narayan Chandra Mahapatra shall be paid his actual emoluments for the said period along with benefits like increment, and his salary shall be refixed such the respondent is stated to have since the respondent is stated to have retired from service from the month of March 2017, his pensionary benefits shall be revised and refused accordingly. The areas of differential salary of the
This order was challenged.
This order has been confirmed, my lord. This
order has been confirmed, but this order is challenged.
This order has never been challenged. This is the order passed by it's a writ appeal order, my lords. This has never been challenged, my lord.
Yes. Have you complied with this order?
My lord, he was earlier terminated in a separate proceeding in 2010. That became final, he had not challenged it. So we are supposed to pay only till 2010 only. This proceeding started in 1998, ended with the disposal of the retired. But the observation that it will pay till his retirement in 2017, that will not hold good because in 2010 he has already terminated from service. So to the 10, till 10 we have paid all the dues also.
Well, what they're saying, they have filed an IA in the read appeal. The copy has not been served till date. And the matter
My lord, copy I asked. But senior Mr. Tripathi refused to take it. I have also served the copy. Receipt there, I will show it.
My lord, I have served it by means of WhatsApp, my lord, on the last occasion also. I'll check.
List this matter along with the records of WA number so and so before a division bench on 2 weeks. We'll see.
Item 56. Actually, 56 my lord complied. What's the need? No, my lord. Nothing has been complied. Files also before your honor. Before your proceed, I will file my affidavit.
What was the direction?
Yes.
What was the direction?
Sir, phone the direction from sir. My lord. The direction. You must see. Kindly glance at page. Annexure 1. My lord. Page 5. Page 6, para 8, considering the submission made by the law counsels appearing for the parties on a careful examination of the background facts of the present case, this court deems it proper to dispose of the writ petition within a direction to Director Health and Family Welfare Department, Bhubaneswar, opposite party number 2, to sanction and disburse the financial benefits as is due and admissible to the petitioner by taking refixation of pay of the petitioners pursuant to letter of the Chief District Medical and Public Health Officer, Cuttack dated 16/7/2022. My lord. Under annexure.
What has not been done? Whether the director primary has sanctioned or not?
Pensions and other differential benefits.
He has done it or not?
No, my lord.
He has not seen my complaint. Please see my complaint certificate. I
have received earlier occasion.
My complaint certificate annexure 8/1 series.
I am permitted to file my appeal.
Why?
They have not complied. I have nothing received till date.
Nothing received.
Any financial. Whereas as per the instruction issued by the government in Health and Family Welfare Department by letter number 1484 dated 12/6/2024 and on examination of all records and the guidelines, the refixation of payments is done by CDM PH at the rate as mentioned so and so is allowed by the operating part number 2. Whereas area pay and pensionary benefits of Sri Mahathi have been already drawn and dispersed to the petitioner by CDMO Cuttack as reported by the letter number 7758 dated 26/2024. And I have enclosed the copy.
What else?
No, madam. I have not received the revisional pay, revisional benefits. Still, let me instruction from
2 week time is allowed for the petitioner to seek instructions and file reply to the compliance affidavit filed on behalf of the opposite parties.
57
complied.
complied.
58 complied.
8 complied.
Yes.
Item 59 complied. No, not. Oh, sorry, sir. 59, madam, we are taking step. It will be complied within 1 or 2 days. Tell us, call this matter next week.
Okay.
Next week.
Already sanctioned, it will be dispersed to him. Item number 60.
59 not complied despite dismissal of the writ appeal.
60 SLP files.
SLP.
Well,
62 SLP.
60 SLP. 61. 61, madam.
60 SLP.
Read. Sorry,
No.
61, you'll give me some time.
61 nahi. 61,
Some time, man.
2 weeks.
Sorry. Smile.
61,
Not press.
Sixty-one not. Therefore, the order has been complied with.
Smile. Item 62. By 62, writ appeal is pending.
Writ appeal.
63. 63 complied, madam.
Complied with.
Liberty, madam.
Liberty.
64. 64 complied.
Complied.
Not yet complaint. I am not receiving.
I am giving.
Giving order.
Now, 64 writ appeal is pending, so I am giving. Writ appeal number 1179 of 2020.
Writ appeal.
My lord, 117. Item 65. 65 will also grant me next week.
Next week.
66.
66, my lord, SLP pending, my lord. We have filed an affidavit, but SLP pending.
SLP.
It was 67.
Lord, 67 and 68, same order, both the orders have been complied. 67, 68.
Item 69.
No.
69, my lord, we have filed a so cause affidavit. My lord, here, my lord, the recruitment basing on which the direction was made, that recruitment was cancelled. Then subsequently another advertisement was made. Petitioner was allowed to participate, but he could not succeed. That is the affidavit. We have filed the so cause affidavit. And the challenging the second non-selection, he has approached this honorable court and a writ petition is pending where interim order is obtained.
Lord counsel appearing on behalf of the petitioner accepts that in view of subsequent development, no case of willful disobedience of this court's order is made out the contempt proceeding stands stopped accordingly. WPC 36724.
My lord, that is there on board today. It is there.
Oh, list over.
Another is pending now.
That is not listed, no.
It is listed. here.
Listed. The WPC 37624 of 2024, we place before appropriate bench.
Item number 70. To whom a direction was made, the order, start from page 7, or page 8, last paragraph, madam. To decide by case in the light of Rabindra Kumar Jana's case, madam. They have passed the order, since Rabindra Kumar case has not been completed, this will be applicable. That is, madam, order, page 11, madam, third paragraph. Writ dismissed against this case, madam. Against this order, writ dismissed, madam. Now they say the order in Rabindra Kumar case, madam, since not complied, this order has not been complied.
So, your lordship may kindly see the order passed by the honorable single judge. The direction that is at page 9, the contempt petition.
From page 6.
Keeping in view the order of this court in Rabindra Kumar Jena case,
Yes.
and in the event the OP number 2 comes to the conclusion that the facts in the petitioner's case are identical to the fact of the cases which are considered by the common judgment Rabindra Kumar Jena case and the case of Shweta Padma Samat, then similar benefits be extended in favor of the petitioner within a period of 2 months from the date of communication of the order. Now, your lordship may kindly see annexure 2. That is the compliance. Your lordship may kindly come to page 11, the relevant part of the order. The third paragraph, your lordship may kindly see. Sri Gopal Chandra Behra was a DLR and brought over to the regular establishment with effect from 1/11/2018.
So you can challenge this order if
Yes.
this order is illegal. It cannot be said that there is disobedience.
Liberty.
It is apparent that in the light of this court's order dated 2/11/2023 passed in WPC number P4574 of 2023. An order has been passed on 11/12/2023 by the Engineer-in-Chief bracketed Civil Odisha on 11 Odisha on 11/12/2023. So, and counsel for the petitioner has submitted that this said order dated 11/12/2023 is not legally sustainable. So such aspect cannot be gone into in a contempt proceeding. Stop. No case of intentional disobedience of this court's order is made out. Stop. Contempt proceeding is dropped with a liberty to the petitioner to question the correctness of the said order dated 11/12/2023 before appropriate forum authority in accordance with law.
Item 71. 71, my lord, SLP pending. Is the instruction I have received.
SLP is pending, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
SLP.
Item number 72.
May I please, Lord? In that case, lordships, the order is passed on dated 24/8/2023 in WPC number 25,620 by 23. After that order, demarcation is made. But demarcation is made. I am not disputing that fact. But till date, no disposal of the demarcation of 26/22 by Learned Tahsildar for this contempt.
It has been disposed of on 26/2024. That is the
This is the
instruction.
crux of the matter, Your Lordships. Two orders is passed, Your Lordship. One order defined regarding boundaries demarcated.
Just a minute.
Oh, bless.
Lordship, may kindly see the order.
So for that reason, did not file the complaints affidavit. Did not file the complaints affidavit
Let me
regarding to that reason.
let me see the order.
Running page 19, Your Lord.
19, no 13. Page 13.
Running page 17. I beg to pardon. Your Lordship, running page 17.
Not 13.
17.
Turning page 13.
13,
Running page 17 is the order of this.
What is the date of the order?
Date of the order 24/8/2023.
What is there in the order?
In that order, Your Lordships, considering the innocuous prayer involved hearing, this
So your prayer was innocuous.
I am not denying that fact.
Then-
But regarding to that fact, Honorable Court directed to dispose of the applications
All right.
demarcation case within 3 months.
All right.
Within 3 months, after giving opportunity to the party which is affected.
Yes.
So after that, they demarcated the land. It is running page.
Council whether this demarcation
Demarcated the land, Your Lordship. I am not disputing that
has
fact.
been disposed of or not?
Yes.
Not, Your Lordship, not dispose of. Not dispose of. I filed filed a, Your Lordship's for certified copy, but did not issue to me. Did not issue to me. This is the, for that reason, I filed the contempt application. I filed the two receipt. Filed the 2 postal receipt regarding application to dispose of that application. But till they did not dispose of the
You
application.
have a copy of the order.
This is the fact.
This is the specific
There is
instruction
no order from the Tahsildar that
he has put the date on which the demarcation case has been disposed of. Your Lordship, may
there is
kindly.
no order attached here.
Then I'll produce. I'll produce it.
Complaints affidavit with Your Lordship, I beg to
What is
beg.
the order? Is this matter on 2 weeks? So as to enable and counsel for the AGA to file a so-called reply stating as to whether the demarcation case number 26 of 2022 has been disposed of or not. Yes.
Matter number 73.
Obliged.
73, my lord, complied, compliance affidavit filed.
On appeals complied with.
Item 74.
74, my lord, also complied.
Have order.
I'll serve a copy. of your-
So he's appearing.
74.
Okay, no.
Order copy the report. I'll give you a copy.
Item 75.
75 order has not been complied. Order dated 15/7/23. That has not been complied.
That has been complied, my lord, already complied.
Give him a copy.
Well, liberty may be given.
Liberty.
Obliged.
76.
Your order has not been complied, nothing has been communicated to me.
He may communicate.
And here the order has been complied.
Okay, understand.
I'll serve a copy on him while it is come.
Next week.
Speaking order has been passed.
Huh?
Speaking order has been passed.
Next week.
Grant me the liberty to challenge, I will
All right.
dispose of it.
Complied with liberty.
Item 77.
Not complied with.
Complied with.
Not complied with. Original runs.
There's a compliance affidavit filed. Well, here I have received the instruction that the DFO, the divisional forest officer, has already complied and his pay has been revised and order has been passed. I will give a copy.
Give you a copy.
এটা দেখি দিଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେବି। Fixation.
Complied with them.
78. 78 might have complied.
No one appears complied with.
79. 79 also might have complied.
Yes.
Item 80. 80 my lord also complied. Speaking order first. 81. 81 complied. 82. 82 also my lord. Yes, my lord. It is also complied.
Complied.
At number 83.
Complied.
83 also complied. 84.
Correction of typography error. Noting is there. What का भूल है?
84.
Yes, sir.
Correction of typographical error.
Yes, noting is there.
What is that?
The year has been wrongly mentioned as 24 instead of 23. It has been mentioned. Sorry, 23.
Which order?
My contempt number has been wrongly typed as 22 instead of 23. That is the noting.
The order dated 2/8/2024. The case number has wrongly been typed as CONTC number 1287 of 2022 in place of CONTC number 1287 of 2023. So this said order shall be read accordingly with the present order and shall be treated to have been passed in CONTC number 1287 of 2023.
Item 85.
85 for withdrawal, withdrawal.
Withdraw.
Item 86.
On compliance of order dated 12/4/2021, my lords. Till date, the order has not been complied with. There was a direction to the Tahsildar concerned to grant certified copy of the entire order sheet as well as RI report in a mutation case, my lords. Till date, they are not supplied.
This is the second round of application for contempt. In the,
You are for whom?
I am for in the meantime for the person concerned, because at the time of filing of the
You are for the petitioner or?
for a Tahsildar and person, because he in the meantime he has transferred to some other.
Yes, so what is your stand?
Stand is on that particular time, then when I joined in the post, thereafter before that order was passed. So I looked into the matter and the file could not be traced out. For that FIR was lodged. And that order has already been duly communicated to the party concerned. So however, subsequently this same cannot be reconstituted. For this purpose, because it is a record of 2003, 1256 of 2003. For this purpose, certified order could not be provided to the person concerned. And in the meantime, also I have transferred to some other place since 2022.
Yes.
But I filed a compliance affidavit, not a comment so called notes, that in fact recording is missing for which FIR has been lodged and the aforesaid fact has been intimated to the petitioner by the letter under memo number 67/2024 that recording missing for which FIR has already been lodged before the police. So my affidavit dated 20th of August 2024 by the present Tahsildar, details of Pati, who has subsequently joined.
But the copy of the so cause has not been served upon. I have not received the copy of the so-called filed by the state.
Give him a
I will
copy.
give a copy. my lord.
Otherwise, something which is impossible cannot be done.
Yes.
My lords.
With a copy of the so-called reply filed on behalf of the opposite party is served upon learned counsel for the petitioner in course of the day. Let's this matter on next Friday. Yes.
87.
The order dated 12/9/2022 is not yet been complied. Order dated 12/9/2022 is not yet been complied.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Next week, Rosmeka.
next week as requested. Yes.
Item 88.
Order dated 19/12/22, not complied. As per the notice written, as the container absent left the place. As per the noting, the notice could not serve due to left the addressee. I will take first steps.
Who is the contender?
Ravi Narayan Pradhan, additional sub collector, come additional CO.
Additional
Consultation officer. Ravi Narayan Pradhan, additional sub collector, come additional consultation
notice
officer.
was issued.
As per the noting, Lordship kindly say, as per the noting, notice answered, return.
Yes, maybe the person concerned must have been transport. So I can, he officer, I can also obtain instruction now. 2 weeks time also granted in the
2 weeks time is
meantime.
allowed for. Allowed as requested by learned AG, Mr. So-and-so, learned AGA to seek instructions and file affidavit, compliance affidavit, to seek instructions as to whether this court's order violation of which has been alleged has been complied with or not. Yes.
Item 89.
89, after dismissal of the SLP filed by the state, told that the order has not been complied. Though the petitioner is retired since 2014, not yet get the pension.
Yes, provisional pension sanction. In the meantime, I filed my compliance affidavit. The PITD has been directed by the authorities to give extend all the benefits. That was in June 2024. So may call next week. I'll see in the meantime it has been
2 weeks allowed.
Yes.
Allowed for Mr. So-and-so, learned AGA to seek instructions and so whether this court's order violation of which has been released in the present content application has been fully complied with or not.
And your personal appearance was made by this honorable court.
We will see.
Item 90.
Obliged.
My lord, order not complied. Still pending. Final outcome of this case does not come. Final outcome does not arise. Case number 2022.
So,
Final outcome does not come.
All right. All right. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, Mr. Saman.
2 weeks.
91.
91, Lordship, order has not complied with page 80 of my contempt application.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Saman.
Yes, sir. You also grant me time for the
2 weeks.
days come. I will.
No, not the second time, anyway, 2 weeks. Next week.
2 weeks, 2 weeks.
92.
Was no was not complied. The order victim was 19/223 minutes. Passed in doubt number.
2 weeks, Mr. Saman.
No, so I filed a compliance affidavit, whether my friend has been given a copy on 4/7/57/2024. I filed an affidavit. I will give a copy. I filed a
Give him a
compliance.
copy. It is stated by learned AGA that the court's order violation of which has been alleged has been complied with. Stop. A compliance affidavit has been filed. Stop. Let a copy of the said compliance affidavit be served upon learned counsel for the petitioner in course of the day. Place this matter on 1 week. Yes.
93. 93 concern also the officer has requested to obtain time for compliance. Also, graduation time.
4 weeks.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
94.
My lord, they have not practically complied, but documentary complied, my lord. Not material regarding to
removal of unauthorized encroachment, my lord.
So, was there any direction for removal?
My lord, that is a page, order dated 5/12/2023, page 16, para 8, my lord. And to ensure removal of the encroachment of the private opposite parties at the earliest. But they have complied documentary, my lord.
Yes, I filed the affidavit. We will take up next week.
My lord. 95.
Malad, in this case, second notice was issued to the opposite party contender, malad, but till now, no compliance. No counter affidavit.
Notice has been issued, whether it's or not, otherwise I can take instruction, or there is the.
Notice was issued, malad.
Taking the notice.
Can take instructions. 2 weeks.
96. Item 96.
Most I have received instruction.
On appears next week.
97.
Dispose of the, we have disposed of the OGLS case, no, there were directions for dispose, that 96.
That has been disposed of.
97.
No, here in 97, 96 order has been complied with now.
Known appears, it is stated by Land AGA that this court's order violation of which has been complied with, in as much as the OGLS case has been disposed of. This is your submission.
Yes, no.
Contempt proceeding stands dropped accordingly. Yes.
97.
Anticipate on the petitioner in the matter due to typographical error, notice not sent to the contender. Today, highly I'm a petition in this matter.
Next week.
98.
On appears next week.
99.
92 have complied, you also said dispose of.
98 complied with.
99.
99 I'm appearing.
99 compliance, order you complied with.
Liberty में kindly granted.
Liberty.
At 100. 100. There has not been compliance file, no compliance file. The direction was to remove the encroachment, but the order has been passed that the opposite private party is in encroachment of the said government land, but till date not has been removed from the encroachment land.
All right,
So
next week we'll
I
take.
filed my compliance affidavit, you will also look at 1240 of the order below.
Okay, we'll take up the matter tomorrow.
Yes.
Like next Friday.
Next week also.
Next week.
And just need to watch tonight.
उसका separate order ले लेगा मुझे.